along with the missing code 2019.
Both the writ petitions are dismissed.
Again, 21, WPC 6395 of 2019.
The writ petition is dismissed, however, with the liberty to the petitioner to approach the appropriate authority under the CA. And if such approach is done in a manner prescribed, the same is to be considered in accordance with law. Petition stands disposed of aforesaid terms. Thank you.
May I please?
Yes, Mr. Sayola.
Lordship, item number 6, my lord. My lord, I'm allowed to withdraw my wakalatnama in this matter. She is appearing petitioner in person, Your Honor. She had filed the IA criminal which was listed few days back, and your lordship had fixed that matter on 1st of June. So your lordship may fix this contempt along with that IA.
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Okay, you'll be appearing in person.
yes, Lordship.
Your name has to be related. You have to file an application.
Yes, lordship. Before the register, I shall do it today. Lord. Today,
Okay.
lordship.
Heard the petitioner in person as well as 3M Sayola, learned counsel, full stop. At the outset, Mr. Sayola has submitted that henceforth the petitioner would appear in person,
Lordship.
and he would be filing a formal application for withdrawal of wakalatnama. He has also informed that the connected contempt case is fixed on 1st of June 2026,
Lordship.
and accordingly prays for listing this case along with the contempt.
IA. Lordship, IA is fixed on.
Oh,
1st of
not contempt. Oh, this
Contempt is today,
I got it. He has also informed that connected IA
Lordship,
connected IA number
IA criminal 487 of 2026.
is listed on
1st of June.
1st of June. Huh? Para? In view of the above, this matter is adjourned to be listed along with IA so and so on 1st of June.
Deeply obliged.
I beg to mention item number 22 of supplementary list also. Password for that day, Lordship. We will file amendment petition in this case. Some typographical error, Lordship. Item number 22. Supplementary list.
Your name?
RL Sutia, Lordship.
R.L. Sutia, learned counsel submits that an additional affidavit
Yes, sir.
would be filed in this case on behalf of the petitioner, and therefore prays for some time. Put the para. List after a week to enable filing of additional affidavit. Para. List on, we give a date. We list on 5th of June. List after a week. List on 5th of June. Huh? After 5th of June to enable filing. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 9 as my senior as Ahmed is out of station. So kindly,
Who is your senior?
as Ahmed.
When can we have this matter?
Yes, my lordship.
When can we have this matter?
When do you want?
First week of June.
19 matter. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of S. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. However, considering that this matter is a long pending one, while the prayer for adjournment is declined, a short accommodation is granted directing listing of this matter on 1st of June. 1st of June.
May I please, your lordship?
1/5.
But I beg to mention for item number 15. In this case, Lord, I need some accommodation. Only 1 week time back I will.
Why?
Because today I am not in a position to.
These are 19 matters.
My lordship. 1 week.
19 matters we do not adjourn.
On 4th of June.
Unless
Lord,
there is some urgent pressing ground, medical grounds.
my lord.
We are not adjourning. Sorry.
Even on 4th of June, that
Sorry.
would be my,
If it reaches, we'll take it up.
my lord.
May I please, your lordships? One, my lord, FT matter, my lord. One, my last listed on, my lord, 23/6/2025, my lord. More than 1 year, my lord. There is no bail, my lord. Already, my lord, TCR has been called for, my lord. For listing, my lord, any day, your lordships.
Matter is pending of which year?
2025, my lord.
25. Okay. Have it whenever you want. Friday?
My lord.
Friday?
Yes, my lord, already filed, my lord. 20
Friday? Friday, is it
Oh,
okay?
my lord, my lord. And another same matter, my lord, there is no bail, my lord. Similar, my lord.
Okay, Friday.
My lord. Obliged, my lord.
May it please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention a writ petition where a Tanzanian woman was in Indian jail and now she has served her sentence. She wants to be deported back, your lordship. May it kindly come up on Friday, your lordship.
Fresh matter.
Fresh matter.
When have you filed?
We have filed, your lordship, on 22nd of May, your lordship.
22nd of May. We'll
Yeah.
have it on 1st of June.
Deeply obliged. Jennifer Peter Maga.
Will the matter pertain to this bench?
Your lordship, this is the senior most bench for mention, your lordship.
No, it's a DB2 matter.
It will be because last time it was when there was a Nigerian lady, that was a DB2 matter, your lordship. Deeply obliged.
What kind of petition are you filing?
Your lordship, she has served her sentence.
No, why before a DB?
Not before a DB, your lordship, just mentioning so that it may come up in any bench.
Should not, you mention before the appropriate bench.
It's a criminal petition
It's
or
a writ petition.
writ petition.
Writ petition.
You mention before the appropriate bench. This is not a DB2 matter. You have to mention before the appropriate bench. Probably it's a bench 5 matter, probably. Just check up with the registry. Not here.
Confusion is.
In this case, your last occasion, your lordship called, asked me to examine whether
CA.
it can be applied. I have checked the material on record. It transpires that petitioner's father migrated from Mohammed East Pakistan, and he had a certificate of registration. Thereafter, they were settled in Tamulpur police station, that at Nalbari district. And subsequently, petitioner shifted to Jonai, and his elder brother shifted to North Lakhimpur. So far, his elder brother is concerned, he was implicated in a proceeding, and he has been exonerated. So far, he is concerned, he has not been. So, in view of this fact, probably CA cannot be invoked because his father came in India. And his citizenship certificate I have also, though it was not exhibited, it is annexed in the written statement. Citizenship certificate as Annexer 6.
Madam Verma, CA will not be applicable. Why not?
No, cyber. No, cyber. Murmatan applicable nalage.
Lordship, a brother's case also, Lordship, record of brother's case also call for Lordship.
Yes.
So Lordship, here he has exhibited one document, Lordship,
Yes.
Annexer 5.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Certificate of registration.
Citizenship.
So Lordship, otherwise Lordship,
But this document was not exhibited in my case, Lord, but though I have annexed it.
yes, Lordship. Otherwise, I have said the pleading, Lordship, in pleadings, Lordship, nobody has said that, Lordship, he is my brother.
No, we can decide on merits.
That is different.
We can decide, we may agree with the opinion, we may not agree with the opinion. That's a different matter. But we are thinking that instead of going to the,
Yes, Lordship. I
merits
think
of the-
that will be applicable in respect
but
of.
Mr. Dasgupta says that CA will not be applicable. I don't find the, why CA will not be
CA.
applicable? If you have come for, under the act, I think it will be applicable.
Not a citizenship now. Page 24, more petition to Sila. Let it come at 2 minutes. Never let him examine it.
At 2 o'clock, not at 2 o'clock, sooner. We might have to rise slightly early, okay? Before rising, in the first half, he will come.
No, let him examine.
Okay, he'll inform you. Yes, please inform your senior, okay?
My lord, amended writ petition has been filed on Friday, my lord, so today it is not tagged. And this matter with any other.
Why this consolidated engineering enterprise have been placed into?
That other party, by considering some hearing to that extent with regard to some error occurred in filing this writ petition with regard to prayer. That's why another coordinate bench was pleased to amend the prayer of the writ petition, for which today now the challenge will be with improved opinion.
APAL, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the amended writ petition has been filed on
22.
22nd of May, which however has not been tagged with the records. Para? Registry to office to verify and tag the amended writ petition and list this matter on 29th of May.
Made will lordship. The contested case petitioner behind the bar arrested.
মাৰি দিছে মিনটো মাৰোতে সাৱধান হ'ব লাগিব ফালি যাব আস্তে opinion of which year?
Last March. Last
Arrested.
March 26.
Immediately arrested.
Date of pronouncement, he arrested.
In detention center?
In detention in Mathia Jail, Golpura.
Matia.
What are your grounds?
Then
Grounds of challenge?
actually, my case of the good negligent practice of the conducting advocate of tribunal will become for an authority.
Heard Sri J.M. Suleiman, learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an opinion dated 18/3/2026 passed by the learned so-and-so in case number so-and-so whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. Full stop. The learned counsel has submitted that there are good grounds of challenge and further that the petitioner has already been taken into custody. Full stop. Let notice be issued. Returnable on 22nd of returnable on 15th of July 2026. Vacation है जाएगा. Union of India. Okay. M. Das. Miss M. Das for S Committee 1. Then Home Department, Madam. 2 and 6. Election Commission S. Kotoki 3. State Coordinator and NRC.
G. Sharma, Lordship is there.
Okay. G. Sharma for 4. And why have you made the 7 a party?
For the, on instruction of the petitioner lordship.
Why? Who is?
Negligent practice and casual practice of this.
How? What roles she will have? You have to file an application in the bar council.
Already annexed to the
Okay.
filed.
7 extra copies.
Not necessary.
7 by registered post with TD. Steps within 2 days. Para. Call for the records. Office to requisition. As indicated, as observed above, comma. Raise the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner is in custody and accordingly prays for bail. Full stop. The said prayer has, however, been opposed by the learned counsel for the respondents. Which one? SP what?
SP Nagaon.
SP Nagaon. SP Nagaon. You appear on or before what? You today is 26th. On or before 8th. 8th. SP Nagaon, no?
24.
My lord, this is contested case, my lord. Imbeing order is page 85, annex 15. Order dated 25 February 26.
Okay, number 24. Okay, what is your name?
AK Azad.
Hers free AK Azad, learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an opinion dated 25 to 2026 passed by so and so in case number so and so whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. What are your grounds, Mr. Azad?
Well, his parents 1966 voter list is there, and moreover, elder sister examined before the tribunal, my lord.
The learned counsel has submitted that relevant materials have been overlooked by the learned tribunal. Para, that notice, returnable on 15th of July 2026. Union of India, Madam Duff. Okay, even one Union of India, M. Das S committee, huh? Then Home Department, A. Verma, 2, 5, not 5, 2, 6, and 7. Madam. Chief Election Officer of the Election Commission of India. 3, S. Kotoki, Training Council. 4, G. Sharma, Training Council. 5, District Commissioner is P. Sharma. P. Sharma, extra copies. Call for the records. Office to requisition. Sri so prays for an interim order, which is however opposed. I suppose it would like has submitted that the petitioner is yet to be taken into custody and has accordingly prayed for an interim order, which is appear on or before where? Which SP?
Gwalpara, my lord.
Gwalpara.
Gwalpara.
Honor before same date. I go to give the 86.
86. I'm obliged.
Exam.
Yes,
May it please order.
item number.
3.
Dorong. हो जाए.
In this case, my lord, petitioner, my lord, was born on 10/4 to 1965 in Mongoldoy. And my lord, the voter list of 1965, 70, 89, 97 of the parents were all placed before the tribunal, my lord. She was married at the age of, after clearing class 9 to one Kitendra Ghosh of Lonka town.
What is your date of birth?
My lord, it is 10/4/1965.
And what is the date of the opinion?
Here, my lord, there are two opinions, my lord. Here, in fact, my lord, the impugned opinion is that, my lord, 38/2019, my lord,
Page?
page 44. And in fact, my lord, before that, my lord, I'll just take you to paragraph, page 29 once, my lord.
The earlier opinion.
Yes, yes, my lord. The earlier order is page, my lord, that is 6/8/2015. First order at page 29.
Page?
Page 29, annexure I. Look,
Not a foreigner, declared not a foreigner.
not declare not a foreigner, my lord. So, my lord, my whole yes, my lord, that the res judicata would apply, my lord, in view of, my lord, the Abdul Quddus case.
Yes, please.
The same set of documents were, my lord, placed before the tribunal, my lord. And, my lord, the first, my lord, in the first opinion, my lord, these references decided, and that is at page 31.
But why did you contest this reference then?
My lord, we placed the order of the court, my lord, the earlier order. We said we file a written statement. Once we receive the copy, my lord, we file the written statement along with enclosing a copy of the earlier opinion, my lord. Now, the court says, I differ with the evidence appreciated. My lord, that cannot be, my lord. In view of Abdul Quddus case, my lord, they said this is the principles of res judicata applies, my lord. And in fact, my lord, whatever documents, as a matter of abundant question, my lord, whatever documents were there, we placed before the second tribunal, my lord. And in fact, the earlier order also, my lord.
These are by different tribunals.
Yes, but different tribunals, my lord. This was, my lord, one is Hojai, my lord, and the one is Lonka, my lord. One was by, my lord, S. Korim, and the other was
Mr. Day, just loud thinking. See, you have an opinion in your favor
Lordships.
and there is another reference.
Lordship.
You challenge that on the ground of res judicata, come to this court. That is a different situation.
That is a difference. Yes.
The other one is the second tribunal already renders an opinion.
Lordship.
That opinion is put to challenge. Our opinion is already there.
I understand.
Now, because of res judicata, can you challenge the jurisdiction of the tribunal to proceed? Or are you challenging the legality, validity of
Is
the
it-
second opinion?
Legality and validity of the second.
Second, and on the ground of res judicata.
Yes,
The res judicata, when can you raise?
The same set of documents were placed before the subsequent tribunal. My lord, even the other, the order, the first opinion, my lord. Now, how can my lord, if my lord, foreign tribunal having, my lord, same jurisdiction, my
It
lord?
can also be an issue of maintainability.
Yes, my lord. That is why, my lord, that is why we place the order of the.
No, that is what we are asking. Your approach to this court is after rendering of the opinion.
Exactly, my lord.
Your approach to this court is not at the initiation of the proceeding. That,
True, my lord.
look here, there is an opinion already in my favor. How do you proceed? I have filed an application, they are still proceeding. I come before the High Court. Please protect me. That is not your case.
Yes, my lord. That is not the
You
case.
contested.
Yes, my lord.
And there is one more aspect, which is, we'll consider on merits. First aspect we'll hear. Second aspect is, you also have to prove that you are the same person.
That's the only issue.
That is a major issue. Because having an opinion of somebody else, somebody may say, no, I am that person. So that much,
That is true, my lord.
Abdul Qudus is very clear.
But, Lordship, so far, my lord, this one and same person is concerned. Lordship will see. The documents were exhibited, my lord. Those were marked as exhibits before the first tribunal, my lord. Now, if I'm a different person, my lord, the same set of documents are placed before the subsequent forum, my lord.
No, that
So,
will
my
not,
lord-
that will not make the same person. That is a very easy device. Take the document of somebody. You have to prove that you are the same person, not by those documents. Documents you can procure, you can just apply for certified copy. What is the problem?
Father's name can also be same, village can also be same, but photographs,
Everything, my lord, the same address. my lord,
photographs
my
and
husband's
biometrics.
name, my lord. This is, my lord, otherwise, my lord, Lordship sees, my lord, so far, Hindu community is concerned, my lord. Ditto names of father, mother's grandfather, husband,
Was any evidence adduced in this regard that you are the same person?
that, my lord, not exact directly, my lord.
But are there any materials from where it can be conclusively deciphered that you are the same person?
In fact, this the certificates bear the photographs, my lord. There were produced certificates of municipal board which was placed before
What was the reference, first reference against whom?
against me, my lord.
Do you have the notice copy?
That, my lord, no.
Notice in the first reference would like to see. And no,
Cases are different, my
no,
lord.
that's okay. The cases, this is a different tribunal. There are different tribunal cases and have to be different. So we have to see the reference. What are the reference?
Then, my lord, they have to produce, my lord, because
And the records are there. Please let us have a look at the records. What is the reference?
Two set of records would be needed. The first opinion and the second.
That will be necessary.
Both are very
No, that will be necessary.
necessary to examine the whole record. I think only the second record would be shared on.
Present case.
Present.
Second means the present case.
present case.
Opinion dated 38/2019. FT case is 9/8 of 16.
If the identity of the person is same
Same.
and a person is declared to be not a foreigner, the only situation when I can lose my citizenship is if I acquire the passport of another country, since our country does not have dual citizenship.
Well, it's-
Otherwise, be the same.
the only thing,
But
another thing, my
identity
lord.
issues are.
My lord, there was a opinion in my favor.
There's no point in contesting actually, as you have
No, I
done.
understand, my lord, but as a matter of abundance, my lord, what happens, my lord? She filed a written statement and closing a copy of the earlier reference, my lord.
Mm.
And fact remains, my lord.
Yeah.
The state did not come on appeal or against that first opinion.
That is 18 finality.
Yes, my lord. That is what, my lord, the Honorable Apex Court says, my lord, in Abdul
Yeah.
Qudus case, my lord. Unless and until, my lord, the state comes on appeal, my lord, they
Authorized
cannot go
petition.
on by filing a second round of litigation against the same person.
Obviously, otherwise it will be an unending process.
Lordship, this is because again a third process will come up.
But identity has to be same, of course.
Yes, my lord, because the documents, what time, my lord, she was there,
Same
the
person.
documents were exhibited, my lord. And in fact, my lord, at page 35, there was a statement that the instant proceeding is the second proceeding against the same party on the same issue, which is barred by law. So res judicata was taken, my lord.
How has this been answered?
My lord, nothing, my lord. And if the lordship I feel allows me to go through. Here, my lord, at page 46, she says, the opinion says, my lord, exhibit 14 is a true copy of the judgment dated 6/8/2015 passed by the honorable member, Foreigners Tribunal so and so, is the present OP of the instant case. So the court is of the opinion that this is the same person of the instant, declaring he is her as not a foreigner post 1971. However, I am not comfortable with the appreciation of evidence in the said judgment and hence deviate myself from the same. So, my lord, the court comes to a conclusion, my lord, the tribunal comes to a conclusion that I am the same person.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 5, my lord, Roman 5, page 46. Even if there is a difference of opinion, my lord, it could have been referred to a higher court for determination, my lord. Otherwise, here there is no division bench as such. But the fact remains, my lord, the state did not come on appeal on the very first occasion, my lord. And that is what, my lord, the Honorable Apex Court
Yes,
said.
how do you deal with this? We want your assistance, madam. This is not a very unique case. We have been confronted with this kind of cases once in a while.
The second, because also be called for. Let us
First
see-
records.
First record. Both the opinion should be examined together, lordship. And like in this second opinion, it has written that the WS, if not contained, it was not a whole complete WS. So let lordship, let the records come, lordship will examine.
Now, we have seen from the records in paragraph 5, which Mr. Day has rightly pointed out, there is a reference to the earlier
Yes.
order in which the proceedee was declared a Indian citizen. And it is not the case that the learned member has overlooked or ignored this aspect. He has dealt with this aspect and he has cited certain reasons that he is not comfortable with the reasoning of the earlier, whether that is a possible, that option is available to a tribunal panel.
And in fact, my lord, page 32 is page 32 is the written statement, my lord, exhaustive written statement.
No, we have seen it.
Lordship, let the second records come, lordship will take it up. At a short date.
Third, we are the learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an opinion dated 38/2019 passed by so-and-so in case number so-and-so, declaring the petitioner a foreigner post 1971, full stop. Amongst others, comma, the primary ground of challenge is that there was an earlier reference which culminated in an opinion dated 6/8/2015, declaring the petitioner an Indian citizen. And this fact, in spite of being brought to the knowledge of the learned tribunal, have been earlier opinion. It is submitted that the learned tribunal, which was apprised of this fact, had cited some reasons which does not appear to be acceptable. Full stop para. Also heard Ms. A. Verma, learned standing counsel, Home Department, who has submitted that for the interest of justice, the records of the earlier opinion dated 6/8/2015, we also call for. Para. We have noticed that pursuant to earlier orders, comma, the records pertaining to the present opinion dated 38/2019 have already been called for and have been received. Para. In the interest of justice, we let the records of FT case number, please give the case number, culminating in opinion dated 6/8/2015, be called for.
FT oblique H oblique 82 of 2015.
Which FT?
By the foreigners tribunal Hojai at Shankar Devna.
Foreign Tribunal.
29.
Page 29. We call for office to issue necessary requisition list on we'll try on 19th If the records doesn't come, then it will be 19th,
19 June.
19th June.
Even otherwise, she was born in 65. So post 71, otherwise, deeply obliged.
Type out in a draft, huh? I'll check. Type everything in draft.
Item 1. Lordship, I'm just sharing this gazette notification, the amendment of CA. It says that anybody, like the people coming from the specified territory, Hindus, Sikhs and Christians, their
2025,
presence.
2025.
Lordship. This is 19 Lordship. Their presence here prior to 2014, they can apply under the CA Lordship. I just want
You kindly share with Mr. Dasgupta.
If they are present before 2014. The date, thank you.
this is for you, sir.
Milord, my predate case is that my father and grandfather came to India from the erstwhile East Pakistan. And both of them were registered under Section 5 of the Citizenship Act. Grandfather's name was Harimon Sarkar and my father's name was Jagabandhu Das.
No, we have seen from the records that the link with your father and grandfather has not been established. That is the opinion. How far it is be sustainable, that's a different matter. You may be successful in your endeavor that this opinion is not proper. We may take another view, but that is the view which is presently before us. What we are saying that in spite of the views, if you are entitled to some benefit under this so and so, we may give you liberty to withdraw this challenge and apply for under the CA.
Like my CA is a not entertained, that will be the problem.
Even during pendency, some petitioners had a.
Because I had
No,
no occasion to come from
Dasgupta,
Bangladesh.
Mr. Dasgupta we may have a predicament. If we close this case
Hmm.
and if he fails there, he'll have no option. So what we can do, we can
Here the matter
we
is
can
merit.
keep it pending.
Hmm.
We can keep it pending.
Yes,
If he's successful in that, see, if we decide against Mr. Dasgupta, then also we give him the option, which we are doing.
Hmm.
But in that case, we have to hear him and form an opinion against him. We may not. We can hear this matter also.
Hmm.
We can hear it then.
Then your lordship can give him the
If
chance.
we are against Mr. Dasgupta, then he'll get the liberty. If we are in favor of him, that the liberty is not required. Okay. Then we hear this. Okay. Yes.
Mhm.
My brother is suggesting that we can keep this pending for a month. And in the meantime,
Yes,
you
I can
explore
agree.
the option. In that case, it saves the
Yes,
time.
that is
We may adjudicate some other case.
Hmm.
Oh.
So I will have to instruct my client.
Yes, we'll have this pending.
Hmm.
Heard. Sri Dasgupta Learned Senior Counsel assisted by
J.K. Sharma.
G.K. Sharma.
J.K. Sharma.
J.K. Sharma for the petitioner. Also heard Sri Ms. A. Verma. So it's all right on huh? Sir? The present challenge is against an opinion that is so and so passed by so and so in case number so and so, whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. Full stop. The Learned Senior Counsel has submitted that there are various grounds of challenge. Full stop. Para. The said submission is, however, opposed by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Para. Without expressing any opinion on the inter se merits of the respective cases, we have seen that the present case would also come under the CAA. Full stop. Under those circumstances, we deem it fit to give a chance to the petitioner to explore the option to take the benefit of CAA. Full stop. Tara, the matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on 15th of July. You get enough time, 15th of July, 2026. By which time the petitioner would file necessary application to get the benefit under the CAA. Full stop. It is directed that if such application, directed that on filing of such application, comma, the same is required to be considered and decided strictly in accordance with law and without prejudice to the fact that there is an opinion against the petitioner and also the pendency of the present writ petition.
Much appreciated.
It will be independently considered.
Much appreciated. I will instruct it.
What? Oh, okay. Oh.
May I
Yes.
please, your lordship?
You have got it?
Yes, my lord. And so far I have taken instruction from my client. This is obtained through a petition writer of Borpeta who obtained it from Gauhati.
Mr. Sharma, have a look, careful look. Were you there in the last hearing?
Mr. Pang was there.
Can you have Mr. Payang? Is he there in the court?
Yes, Lordship.
Then we'll have when Mr. Payang is there, because there is a continuity in this proceeding.
Yes.
Again, you have to be informed of everything.
Yes.
Mr. Alim will have it after a while.
Lordship.
Now, what we can indicate, it will be conducted by Mr. Payang only. If you see the opinion, if you remember correctly, this sale deed, the original sale deed was produced before the learned tribunal and exhibited, proved. The learned tribunal had made an observation that the deed was illegible, not legible, and therefore a finding is there that it cannot be used as a material exhibit.
Yes.
That sale deed has not been annexed and closed to the writ petition. On the other hand, a certified copy is enclosed.
Yes, Lordship.
So under those circumstances, we become slightly curious that the certified copy is readable.
Yes.
So why the learned tribunal has made such an observation? Then we check the records. We found that the records, certified copy was not there. The sale deed in original appears to have been there, which is in fact not legible. You cannot read it.
Otherwise, Lordship, what original document he has placed before the tribunal, Lordship, that may be, he may allow to place this document before this honorable.
That is there. The originals are there. That is why you kindly understand. Not readable. It's not readable. It's there. So upon perusal of the certified copy, which has been enclosed to this petition, we had noticed something which is you can just, where is that page, Mr. Alim?
My lord, page 22, my lord.
Page 22. Yes,
Well-
page 22. You're correct. Page 22.
Itu koto video, itu আমি সব, itu video koto. itu আমি understood, send করছি। And if your lordship sees the backside of the first page stamp paper, the stamp paper was purchased from Borpeta, my lord.
That we have seen. It is also there in the main petition.
Yes, my lord.
For the time being, Lordship.
Yes. You just see this document
I have given a copy.
See the stamp on the left side. Rubber stamp. Senior Sub-Registrar, Kumrup, Metro, Gauhati. Of date of 1968.
68 there was no metro.
68, there was.
Which is no metro and see Gauhati, what, how is it written?
Yes.
GUWA.
So,
And this left register, left stamp and the right stamp of the sub-registrar are different.
yes.
Right is okay because it's a certification done now, 2019.
No, that is okay. Lord.
That is
But
okay. Left,
left, it should not be Lord.
but why is this stamp required? We do not know the stamp itself has a date of 2004. Mr. Sharma, the left stamp. No. First, the left stamp. The stamp, under the Stamp Act 1969, Assam Amendment Act 2004. Have you got it 2004?
Yes, madam.
68 thing, how will this come?
Without instruction, Lordship, it is difficult to say Lordship.
No, that is a part of page 22. Same thing has been annexed and closed. Now, madam, what has been exhibited is the original sale deed. And as we have already told you that there is an observation of the learned tribunal that the original sale deed is not readable, it's not legible. Under that circumstances, we were curious, page 22 is readable. Why has that observation been made? Then we checked up the records, it is the original sale deed, not the certified copy. And original is indeed, it's not readable. And therefore, the importance of this document has arisen. It has been enclosed in the writ proceedings.
Yes.
It's not the document which was enclosed, which was proved in the this thing, but that technicality we may overlook because the original was before the tribunal, but that was not readable. Whether that belongs to this, that's the question.
Yes.
And this itself appears to be slightly doubtful document.
Yes.
Lordship in 68, these kind of stamp papers were also not used.
No, it is certified copy of license.
No, this is a certified copy of 19.
What did I say?
Mr. Alim, we're not very sure whether you can get a certified copy of a stamp paper purchased at Borpeta from an office at Gauhati.
No, my lord.
Huh?
The stamp paper was purchased at Borpeta.
So, but this is certified copy is by Gauhati. How is it possible?
I think after purchasing the stamp paper, when he came to the office of the senior sub-registrar, he came to know that the original is here at Gauhati. That is why he used the same copy.
No, can it be
certified
given?
copy.
Can it be used?
You cannot use a stamp paper which is purchased. I do not know. There is no. Act of purchase. Not of understood.
My lord, may I suggest one thing?
Yes.
Let the record be verified with the volume of the senior sub-registrar, my lord. Everything will be clear. Since the original is handed over to the executant, so the contents are in the volume only. If it is available,
But
whether the contents are same
Mr.
or
Alim, there will be another very important aspect. See, they originally have already procured from the it's in your hands and have produced before the tribunal.
yes, madam.
This certified copy is not given by the tribunal.
Not by tribunal.
See, if the tribunal is in custody, suppose a document belonging to the registry, belonging to some office, is presently under the custody of the High Court. That registry, that office cannot give the certified copy. The High Court will give the certified
No,
copy.
my lord, kindly see the document. Your lordship will see that bottom, book number, volume number, these are
No.
mentioned.
Yes, how could it be given? The original is with the tribunal.
My lord, the original copy is handed over to me and the volume is with the senior sub-registrar. How senior sub-registrar will know where I have given the copy?
No. See, this one certified copy, it's a handwritten copy.
Yes, my
It's
lord.
copied from the original.
Yes, my lord.
Original-
Not from the original, from the volume book, my lord. That is I am submitting. After handing over the original one, the senior sub-registrar keeps the volume, the entire content in the volume book. And thereafter, if I obtain a certified copy, it is given from the volume book, my lord.
Let him come, Lordship. For the time.
Mr. Pine is always here.
Now, after computerized, what happens? The one copy we submit for registration. After registration, original is given and scan copy is recorded.
No,
But
that is present practice.
Present.
Earlier,
we prepared two copies, one in original deed and one for certified copy. Both are submitted to the sub-register. The original is kept in the office. and
now
sub-
the original has already been given to you. It's a part of the records of the
Yes.
tribunal. So how could you obtain this from the registry office?
In the register office, when I am given the original copy, after keeping the entire content in the volume book, only after the original
Volume
is
book will
given.
have the entire deed. Or
Yes,
or
my lord.
only the details, the minutes, the number, who's the executor.
Everything is
My
there.
lord, may I assist the honorable court?
Yes.
My lord, earlier time, my lord, when registration is done, a date is registered. After registering it, original copy, that original copy kept for some days in the
Correct.
deputy registrar. And what deputy registrar did, my lord, a volume is maintained. All registered deed entered into the volume. And there was a post known as deed writer. The deed writer used to enter the original contents of the registered deed into the book, volume. And thereafter, my lord, that after some days, my lord, or some months, when we apply for original deed, then original deed is supplied to us. But it will remain in volume. Mane record will be kept in volume, but original will be supplied to the person.
And
That
there
was
are-
the process, my lord, earlier.
And thereafter, all the certified copies will be given from the volume book only.
Because original deed is not available with the deputy registrar. Only volume is available.
Okay, let Mr. Pak
Hello.
come after a while. After a while.
The volume book may also be called.
So asking them to verify, can you call them?
Yes, that can also be done.
Okay. After a while,
My lord.
Item 4.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. My lord, I refer to order dated 18/11/2024. At that time, my lord, I was not granted bail. But your lordship observed in para 9 of that order possibly, that after receiving the LCR, bail will be considered.
Yes.
So that LCR has come, my lord. So, my lord, at this stage, my lord, I will pray before your lordship, if your lordship please, then bail may be granted to me.
No, you
Thereafter,
have to satisfy for grant of bail. You argue the case. You decide the case.
Ultimately, I am to place before your lordship.
Argue the case.
Your lordship, actually for bail, my lord, not for final hearing, my lord.
Final hearing. There will be no separate hearing for bail, separate hearing
All
for.
right, my lord. All right, my lord.
Because documents will be the same.
My lord, your lordship would be pleased to turn to page 16.
Just a minute, please.
That is a voter list of 1965, my lord.
Opinion is by which tribunal?
My lord, opinion, my lord.
Dated?
Opinion I am giving, my lord.
Is it page
Your
52?
lordship will turn to page
28th of July.
Impugn order dated 27/2007/2019.
Which FT?
Page 52, my lord.
Which FT?
Morigaon Tribunal.
Number 3. Muhammad Mokibul.
FT 129, Morigaon.
Okay.
Furnace Tribunal number 3, third.
Okay. What is your date of birth?
My lord, date of birth, my lord.
Or year of birth?
1979.
Year of birth.
Yes, ma'am.
And how many DWs?
My lord.
How many DWs?
My lord, DW, my lord. DW 1 and 2, my lord.
Two DWs.
DW 2 is my brother.
DW 1 is petitioner.
My
And
wife,
two
my
is-
wife, my lord.
Huh?
Wife. Myself is not examined, my lord.
You have not been. How can it
No.
possible?
It is like this, my lord. It is the record. Record will reveal, my
No,
lord.
no. How is it possible?
The documents.
The city has to adduce evidence.
But what document has been supplied, my lord, from this DW 1 and 2 is found, my lord. Oh, my lord, there is some problem, my lord. He is a paralytic patient. So he was bedridden, he could not adduce evidence.
Okay.
And to that extent, my lord, I have given some medical document,
Okay.
my lord. That is why.
And DW2 is his brother.
My lord, brother. Page 44, my lord.
Yes, what are the documents?
Now, my lord, regarding document, my lord, your lordship will turn to page 16.
16.
Hi, my lord.
17 is the vernacular.
my lord. Yes, 16, 17 is the
17.
vernacular, my lord.
1965.
My lord, 1965. I am giving, my lord, this 407 serial, he is grandfather.
What is his name?
His
Intaz.
name is Intaz Ali.
Grandfather.
Grandfather. Now, my lord, grandmother is
Malik.
Malik Jan. Now, my lord, 409, Zahed Ali.
Who is Jahir Ali?
Zahed Ali is father of the proceeding, my lord.
Father.
Father.
And Malik Banu?
410, my lord.
Malik Banu.
Malik Banu Mother.
Okay. This is which village?
My lord. My lord, it is a village.
Kotaguri.
Ding.
No, village is Kotaguri.
Kotaguri. Kotaguri, Ding. Nagaon district. Then Nagaon, my lord, now Morigaon. Now your lordship will turn to page 18.
What is 18?
This is a sale deed, my lord. My only thing is this, my lord, just to connect Zahed Ali, son of Intaz Ali, my lord. Because it is subsequent document. It is the document of 2074, after 71. Just to show that Zahed Ali is son of Intaz Ali. Vernacular at page 19, my lord. That is that much, my lord. My lord.
This is between your father and grandfather,
My lord.
not the petitioner.
My lord.
Connection is between father and grandfather.
Father and grandfather.
We already have 65.
Yes.
Where Intaz and
My name is there.
not your name. 65 is father and grandfather.
Father, grandfather, mother.
What is the date of this?
My lord.
Page 18. What is the date?
Page, my lord, 18 date is, it is a deed of 1974, 13/3/74. 13/3/74, my lord. Possibly in the last one, my lord. Your lordship will turn to vernacular, page 20. Page 20, last one, 13/3/74.
It's not readable at all.
Yes, my lord. 13/3, my lord, that is legible.
Where nothing is readable.
Page 20, my lord.
20 is, you cannot read anything.
Not a word.
Not even a word.
13/3/74 is legible, my lord.
You see if you can read anything.
My lord, my copy, my lord.
You have kept a better copy for yourself, Mr. Big, and given a bad copy for the court.
My lord, that record has come, my lord.
We'll check the record.
My lord.
But
Your
if you
lordship.
present this document and say it's readable, we'll have difficulty. Can you read anything?
That has not come in the copy.
You cannot read anything.
My copy, my lord. That original has come.
See the record.
My lord, my lord. From record, my lord, I am saying that it is 13/3/74.
So next time make photocopy in a same machine.
Well.
Your copy should not be made in a better machine.
My lord,
But it is of 1974.
my lord, computerization and the photocopy machine make the matter easy. But thing is this, my lord, after some years, my lord, it will be so, it will vanish. Many things will vanish and it will be very difficult. Otherwise, my lord, earlier occasion that 100 years deed also we can read it. No problem. Because certified copy is given in handwritten. So, my lord, next I refer to page 21, my lord.
Uncertified.
My lord.
21 is uncertified.
1985, my lord.
not certified.
Not certificate, not certificate. Now your lordship will turn to page 23. Name of petitioner. Page 23.
Come to 24, vernacular,
My lord.
1997.
My lord, 1997 document, my lord, Zahed Ali,
Father,
father, Maleka Khatun, Mokibur Rahman. Mokibur Rahman is the proceeding before your lordship. Mokibur Rahman, 209. Mokibur Rahman, Pita Zahed.
Mokibur Rahman is you.
Yes, my lord. Mokibur Rahman Zahed. Farida Khatun, my sister, my lord. Pita Zahed.
Mokibur Rahman. Farida Khatun. Okay.
Now your lordship will turn to page 26. The voter list appearing my name, my lord, 2005. Mokibur Rahman, Pita Zahed Ali. Now, my lord, page 27, vernacular in 28. Mokibur Rahman, Zahed Ali.
Yes.
My lord, page 30 is the Gambura certificate. In vernacular, my lord. Here also, my lord, Mokibur Rahman, son of late Zahed Ali.
Please read.
Page 30, my lord.
Please read. Please read. Please read it.
My lord,
প্রমাণপত্র দেয়া হয় যে
প্রমাণপত্র দেওয়া হয় শিলপুখুরি মৌজার, শিলপুখুরি কিসামতর, শিলপুখুরি গাঁওর মোহাম্মদ মকিবুর রহমান পিতা জাহেদ আলী
নিজা নামত
নিজ নামত 172, 185 মেদিপাট্টার 126, 122 নামর দাগর অঙ্ক 5 বিঘা মাটি আছে। So, my lord, this document is only that my father's name is.
But this is in context of different, that you own certain land.
My lord, land is all right, my lord, but my father's name is Zahed. And another aspect of the matter is this, my lord, this was submitted, but it is not proved by examining the Gambura.
Oh.
So, my lord, that will not come to help me so much. My lord. Now your lordship will turn to page 27.
27.
27, I have come at 27, my lord.
27 already seen?
2016 voter list. Yes, already seen, my lord.
Yes.
So, my lord, now your lordship will turn to impugn order, madam. Here in the impugn order,
There is another, at page 32, another certificate.
page 32.
Yes. Of Gauhati. What is this? Not exhibited.
Not exhibited, my lord. That document, my lord.
32 is a different Gauhati certificate.
My lord, this must go only that my father name is Zahid Ali. And the
Was it
Gamura
true?
is not examined, my lord.
On
My lord.
another certificate.
My lord.
Yes.
Now your lordship, what is my pleading? That is at page 33, my WS. Your lordship, just go to page 34, para 4.
Yes, please.
Para 4, my lord, 34, page 34. That the real fact of the case is this, that. Page 34. The opposite party is
You
citizen of
can kindly read, please read the vernacular at page 37, paragraph 4.
37. প্রকৃত কথা এই যে অপর পক্ষগণ জন্মসূত্রে ভারতীয় নাগরিক। My lord, why it is said as অপর পক্ষগণ? Because, my lord, originally in the reference, my wife's name and son, daughter's name was there. But tribunal found that actually reference was filed against the husband only.
Correct.
That is why others were dropped. But in written statement, it is প্রকৃত কথা এই যে অপর পক্ষগণ জন্মসূত্রে ভারতীয় নাগরিক। 1 নং অপর পক্ষ মোহাম্মদ মুকিবুর রহমান পিতা মৃত্যু জাহেদ আলীর জন্ম হয় মরিগাঁও জেলার মিকিরভিটা থানার অন্তর্গত শিলপুখুরি গাঁও। উক্ত গাঁওতে 1 নং অপর পক্ষ ডাঙর দীঘল হয় আৰু প্ৰাপ্তবয়স্ক হোৱাত তেওঁ উক্ত গাঁওতে ভোটাৰ তালিকাত নাম অন্তৰ্ভুক্তি কৰি ভোট প্ৰদান কৰি আছে। এই সন্দৰ্ভত গাঁওবুঢ়াৰ প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ আৰু 204 নং ভোটাৰ তালিকাৰ ফটোকপি গাঁঠি দিয়া হয়। 1 নং অপর পক্ষ পিতা জাহেদ আলী পূর্বতে নগাঁও জেলার ধিংধালার অন্তর্গত কটহগুড়ি গাঁৱত ৰেফাৰেন্স ইয়ৰ লৰ্ডশ্বিপ গড ইন 1965 ভোটাৰ লিষ্ট বসবাস কৰিছিল আৰু উক্ত গাঁৱত অসম বিধানসভা 86 নম্বৰ ধিং সমষ্টিৰ 1965 আৰু 1970 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাৰ ফটোকপি গাঁঠি দিয়া হয়। 1 নং অপর পক্ষৰ নামত মাটি আছে। এই সন্দৰ্ভত মিকৰভিয়া ৰাধ চক্ৰ বিষয়াই প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দাখিল দিয়া হ'ল। 1 নং পক্ষৰ পিতা জাহেদ আলীৰ নামত শিলপুখুৰী গাঁৱত 85 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত নাম আছে, ফটোকপি গাঁঠি দিয়া হ'ল। 2 নং অপর পক্ষ মোসাম্মদ সাহারা খাতুন। Sahara Khatun is not necessary, my lord, but there is no decision against Sahara Khatun. But I am skipping this opposite party number 2, my lord.
Yes.
অপর পক্ষগণৰ নামত ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিকত্ব প্ৰমাণৰ বাবে আৰু যথেষ্ট নথিপত্ৰ আছে, শুনানিৰ সময়ত দাখিল দিয়া হ'ব। আচলতে উক্ত গোচৰত চৰকাৰ পক্ষই কৰা সকলো অভিযোগ অপর পক্ষগণে ধীৰতাৰে অস্বীকাৰ কৰি প্ৰয়োজন সাপেক্ষে পৰিপূৰক লিখিত জবাব দাখিল দিয়াৰ অধিকাৰ ৰাখি এই লিখিত জবাব দাখিল দিয়া হয়। So, my lord, this is the thing.
Okay.
Now your lordship will turn to deposition of DW2, my lord, at page 44.
What about 40? Who is 40 DW1?
40 DW1 wife, my lord.
Okay. Let us read that.
Wife of the proceeding, my lord. 40.
Yes.
I am OP number 2 here. OP number 1, Mukibur is my husband, but his surname is wrongly written as Hussein instead of Rahman. My father hails from Shogunbahi under Mikirvita PS. I am born and brought up there. I settled down in Shilpukuri after getting married with Mukibur Rahman in Shilpukuri. My lord, this is not legible. That is why there is some blank, my lord, original copy.
But she has not given any evidence on behalf of the petitioner. She has given evidence rather for herself.
Yes.
Because she was also a proceedee
My lord.
initially.
My lord.
Where is the evidence for the
DW2,
petitioner?
DW2,
Hmm?
DW2, 44, my lord. Petitioner did not, my lord, because.
That you have said,
My lord,
but there has to be some evidence
44,
on
44,
his behalf.
44 may be seen.
44.
I am here to adduce on behalf of OP Mokibur Rahman, who is my elder brother.
Mm.
Other OPs are family members of my brother. My brother have suffered paralysis and unable to walk properly. We are permanent inhabitant of Shilpukuri and we are born at Shilpukuri. I have 3 paternal uncles, so and so, so and so. My father is the eldest and paternal uncles are all alive. My grandfather is intazali. I did not meet my grandfather. I did not meet my grandfather. Grandfather expired, my lord. So sisters, etc., my lord, that has been given.
But what is he said regarding his citizenship? Nothing.
My lord.
He has not said anything regarding his citizenship or he not being a foreigner.
The deposition.
Deposition, my lord. That my brother is not a foreigner.
No, he has to prove certain circumstance, evidence, certain materials to discharge the burden. He has not said anything.
My lord, no, my lord. My lord, when I say I am citizen of India, my lord, in my pleading.
No, in the deposition, in the deposition.
In the deposition, my lord, in the deposition, I did not depose.
Brother
deposed, my lord.
Mr. Sheikh, that we have understood.
My
You are not required in all circumstances. It may not be possible for a proceedee to come to the witness box. This particular proceedee was having paralysis.
My lord.
So his brother had undertaken the task to defend himself.
Acha.
Wife and brother. Nobody has. And who has proved the documents? Documents proved by none.
No, that is there, my lord, that in so many words it is not said that he is not a foreigner.
No. Who has proved the documents?
My lord.
Documents somebody has to prove in the doc.
Exhibits.
Yes, who has proved?
My lord.
Nobody has proved.
The documents exhibited.
Yes, exactly.
But that your lordship rightly pointed out that nobody.
Somebody has to tender the documents and prove the documents, including the contents.
My lord, including the content. That is there, my lord. That is there. But in the impugn order, my lord, that point was not taken by the tribunal. Tribunal has decided the matter, my lord. My lord, I have gone through. Lord, I have gone through the
page.
Please continue.
Okay, there are at page 50. Page 50, he has continued. There is, without there being tendered, it cannot be taken into consideration. Page 50.
My lord.
DW2. Exhibit so and so, just see. Have you seen?
Yes, my lord.
Voter list of Jahid Ali, voter list of Jahid Ali.
My lord, I am grateful to your lordship.
It might not have been proved in the manner which is necessary, but at least it was tendered and it was mentioned.
My lord. But I am grateful to your lordship. My lord, now your lordship will go to the impugn order. In the impugn order, my lord, my humble submission before your lordship, learned tribunal decided the matter only on the point that there is some discrepancies in the name. Nothing, my lord. That evidence is not at all discussed. Evidence not at all discussed, my lord. Only saying that there is difference of name. It starts like this, my lord, your lordship. Page 53.
In the discrepancies in the name of whom?
Discrimination in the name of mother, my lord.
Mother.
Mother, Malekjan Bibi, Maleka Banu, Malek Banu.
He has one sister.
My lord, Your lordship will just go to page 53, my lord. Critical analysis of reference. Page 53.
Yes.
Exhibit A is the 1965 voter list of Imtaz Ali, Zahed Ali, who were described as grandfather and grandmother of O.P. Mokibur Rahman. Grandmother is enlisted as Malek Jan and mother as Malek Banu, Malek Common. Interestingly, DW2 has named his father in WS or during trial as Zahed Ali, but in the voter list, purported father is enlisted as Zahed Ali. Only your lordship will see Zahed Ali. Zahed and Ali, this word is separated, disjunct. Zahed Ali. And another is Zahed Ali. That is, Ali is not separated. And A is in small letter. And learned tribunal found some fault with this. Zahed Ali and Zahed Ali. Zahed Ali is all right. A is small and there is no separation of Zahed Ali and A. So, Zahed Ali, even if overlook the name or discrepancy, office purported mother is enlisted as Malek Banu, whereas DW2 has named his mother as Malek Jan Bibi. That is, my lord, your lordship will get in page 49 like this. Such discrepancies, though it looks a very minor issue, the same cannot be accepted as Mohammedan communities adopt very few selected names and instance in such minor name discrepancies only, the real identity of people gets differentiated, thereby emerging as totally new entity. Such adoption of limited common name might lie a very strange story to tell. This is the finding of the learned tribunal.
Okay, when did,
Exit-
Mr. Say, when did your father pass away?
2000. 2000 lordship.
Madam.
At page 49 lordship. The brother did post that the father passed away in 2000. Communication was done in 20.
Now, my lord, 2. Exhibit B is the 1985 voter list of his father, but here his name is written as Zahed Ali. This is a single named voter list, and as such, no further conclusion could be drawn except that Zahed Ali is now Zahid Ali. And as reiterated in the above foregoing paragraph, this 1985 voter list suffers from linkage shortage as name of father differed between 1965 to 1985 voter list. And in 1985, name discrepancies could not be rectified being single name voter list, and as such, these 1985 voter list have no value. Now your lordship. Exhibit C, shall I continue?
Just a minute.
My lord.
Where is your statement that regarding any shifting? Have you made any statement regarding any shifting?
Regarding shifting,
Yes. Was there any incident of shifting?
my lord.
Okay,
I'm-
we'll, Mr. Singh, 5 minutes break.
My lord. Regarding shifting, my lord, there is some statement, my lord, page 34.
Yes, please, which paragraph?
Para 4, my lord. Page 34, para 4.
Hmm.
That the real fact of the case is this, that the opposite party is citizen of India by birth. The opposite party number 1, namely Muhammad Mukibur Rahman, son of late Zahed Ali, was born at village Shilpukhuri, P.S. Mikir Baba, district Nagaon, district Morigaon. The opposite party number 1 brought up at said village and attending majority casted his vote at said village, and his name also entered into voter list of said village. In this regard, there is a certificate, 2005, that the opposite party number 1, Zahed Ali, earlier resided as village Kotaguri. Here, your lordship,
There is a lot of discrepancy.
my lord,
You say that
that,
since your birth,
that I want to point it out before your lordship. That opposite party number 1, son of Zahed Ali. Actually, it should be the father of Zahed Ali. Zahed Ali. Zahed Ali is the father of Mukibur. Was at village Kotoguri. That is,
whatever is
that
there.
is why, my lord, that is why your lordship will see. Analogy is this. In Kotoguri, Zahed Ali's name is there.
Okay, let us see the original in the vernacular
My lord.
to dispel any doubts. Let us read the vernacular.
My lord.
It ends there.
Yes.
Act number
4.
Apor Pokhar Pita.
মকিবুর ভোটার তালিকাত অন্তর্ভুক্ত ভোট প্রদান করে আইছে
Number 5, number 5.
নাম্বার 5 1 নং অপর পক্ষ 1 নং অপর পক্ষ ইস ট্রান্সলেশন ইজ নরমাল 1 নং অপর পক্ষ পিতা জাহেদ আলী
No,
1
no.
নং 1 নং অপর পক্ষ পিতা জাহেদ আলী
Yes.
পূর্বতে নগাঁও জেলার ঢিং থানার অন্তর্গত কটগরি ইয়োর লর্ডশিপ হিয়ার রাইটিং ইজ দিস হোয়াট আই পয়েন্টেড আউট অ্যাকচুয়ালি জাহেদ আলী ওয়াজ এট কটগরি ইয়োর লর্ডশিপ 1 নং অপর পক্ষ.
Oh, comma is there.
There should be
Not
there,
up, not
there should
above.
be raw.
No, raw is not there.
Raw.
So you cannot introduce
No,
something
my lord,
which is not
no,
there.
I'm not introducing, my lord. I'm placing before your lordship for consideration. Because he cannot be there. In category, he cannot be. Because, my lord, in 1965, he was not born at Sibley.
Because earlier paragraph,
born in 1979. So, my lord, in 1965, he cannot be in category. Your lordship will consider the circumstance and other documents, my lord. 1 নং অপর পক্ষর. It is the writing, my lord. I am not the person. I am not the writer, my lord. Writer is the advocate, my lord. 1 নং অপর পক্ষর পিতা জাহেদ আলী পূর্বতে নগাঁও জেলার ঢিং. Zahed Ali was in category, my lord. That is my humble submission. That is to be taken in this way. Otherwise, it will be difficult. And your lordship.
Your petitioner was born at which where?
Shilpukhuri, my lord.
Shilpukhuri.
Village Shilpukhuri. Detail has been given. জন্ম হতে ভারতে মোহাম্মদ মকিবুর রহমান পিতা জাহেদ আলীর জন্ম হয় মরিগাঁও জেলার মিকিরভিটা থানার অন্তর্গত শিলপুখুরি গাঁও। And Zahed Ali's father was at Kotoguri Gaon under Nagaon district. He cannot be in Kotoguri, my lord. It is in writing there is some discrepancy. And it was prepared by advocate, my lord. And what happened, my lord, from experience, and your lordship also had got sufficient experience, my lord. Wrong is always committed by us. Every day we are committing wrong, and again amendment, etc., etc. We are doing, my lord. That is the thing, my lord. And sometimes parties suffer. It is the
No, we will consider that.
my lord, my lord. That may be considered, my lord. And otherwise, my lord, it will be difficult, my lord. Now, my lord, may I go to the impugn order now? Or anything, my lord?
Impugn order is not required. We have seen the document.
My lord, my lord.
That is all.
My lord, and only one thing, my lord. I am to place before your lordship regarding discrepancy in name, my lord, the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. And
Sirajul Haq.
subject to correction by
Sirajul Haq.
my lord.
Sirajul Haq.
Sirajul Haq, my lord. Yes. Yes. May I hand it over to you?
2019.
Yes, my lord. 2019, 5.
5.
5 SCC, my lord.
384 or what?
534.
534. Okay.
My lord,
Madam, see, these are the pros in favor of Mr. Sheikh.
so, my lord, here it is.
I'm just putting your case in a gist for Madam to respond.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
He is relying upon certain voters list to build up a link because he is born in the year 1979. So a 65 voters list has got the name of grandfather and father. Leave aside the other names. Grandfather, father. We have also seen the ages. 65 at page 17. There's in category. And after 65, the 85 is not certified. Is not certified. So we are not going by 85. There's a long gap, but the long gap, if you ignore the long gap, 97, you have Zahid Ali, who is the father, and Zahid Ali is son of Intaz. Intaz. Then Malika Khatun. Malika, this Khatun was Banu in 1965.
65 and 85, she's Malika Jan. So the
Banu.
grandmother, whether it is the grandmother or the wife, that is confusing, Lordship.
No, the grandmother was Malika Jan.
Malika Jan.
So
but
this
1985 voters list, which is not certified, that shows at page 21 that the petitioner is, the petitioner's father is 60 years and Malika Jan, his mother, is 50 years. Though not certain, not exhibited or anything, the age discrepancy starts from here. Whether she is his wife or his grandmother.
No, we'll hear you in extensively. Now, 97, there is Zahid Ali, the father of the petitioner, who is son of Intaz.
Yes.
Then the petitioner himself, he is 20 years age.
Yes, Lord.
And mother, Malika Khatun.
And Farida Khatun is again his sister, he said.
Farida is his sister, correct, 19 years.
Interestingly, there are five sisters, but none of, and two brothers, but none of the names figure in either of the voters list or the WS watch.
So how do you know 5 sisters?
It is there in his the brother's deposition, Lordship. Brother has deposed, GW2 has deposed. I will come to that, Lordship. Let us complete the voters list. Then 2000, then Lordship, there is a, with every voter list, there is a change of village. Which has
Change of?
village. The village shifting is there, Lordship.
No, not much. Silpukuri.
65 is.
65 is Kotaguri. That is Kotaguri.
Lordship will look
65 is Kotaguri. Kotaguri.
Kotaguri. And then 70, Lordship is not 70, 85 is.
85 is uncertified. We are not even looking into it.
Then Lordship will come to the next.
97 is Silpukuri.
Yes, Lordship.
That is what we had asked Mr. Sheikh. Where is this? There is some statement. Maybe it's not properly translated to other. And 2005 is Silpukuri, 2016 is also Silpukuri. That Khondo is there, some Khondo is there, part is there, but Silpukuri.
In 2005, and there he has not placed the continuous voters list, Lordship. Lordship will kindly come to the WS at page 33, Lordship. The opposite party at paragraph 6, page 34, Lordship.
Page
34. The second page of the WS, Lordship. Paragraph 6. That the opposite party number 1 purchased land at village Silpukuri in the year 1974. Lordship, he was born in 1979. How could he purchase a plot of land in 1974?
Yes. What is it?
Date of birth is 1979, Lordship.
Yes. And which land? State which that his father has purchased.
Here he is written opposite party. That means he himself. In his WS is written, Lordship.
Let us see page 18. Jahid Ali, Intaz Ali, Intaz. Original, of course, is not, we have to check from the original. Where is the statement?
I'm reading the translated one at page 34.
34.
6. Vernacular is page 38, Lordship.
Year 74. And let us see the origin, page 6. Act number 1974 sonat. Silpukhurir gaon mati kinisil. Matir solilor photocopy gathi dia hol. This is a wrong statement. Page 38, para 6, Mr. Sheikh. Wrong statement.
But again, same problem. The document will not support this statement because land was purchased by father.
But this,
It is written casually, my lord.
these
My
are points.
learned friend rightly pointed out that I was born in 79 and 74. I purchased the land. That cannot be.
Lordship, at page 48, the deposition which is continued from the previous one at page
Page 40?
44. Yes, 44, he deposed that he has, I have 5 sisters. At page 45, he says, Lordship, I have 5 sisters, so and so, that is it. Then, and again at page 48, his deposition continues, and here, Lordship, he has stated that his mother's name he has stated as Malikjan Bibi. Father expired in 2000.
Where, madam?
Page 49.
This is derivative 2.
Yes, the brother of the proceeding, Lordship. After shifting from Dihing, father purchased landed property here in Silpukuri. Father expired in 2000. Mother Malikjan Bibi expired last year. I have 5 sisters. Sisters are elder to me and my brothers. So we now know of only 2 brothers, one who is deposed and one who is the petitioner. The landed property exhibited as Exhibit 8 is not yet included in our name. So none of this has been explained in the WS at page 33, Lordship. Page 33 also does not state about his health condition, Lordship. If he is not well and he has documents of 2017 which are annexed to this petition, Lordship, but WS is silent about his health condition completely.
But for 44, third line,
Yes, Lordship.
by the brother, he has said, my brother have suffered paralysis and unable to walk properly.
That could have come in the WS also, Lordship.
could have come, but but this is not a relevant fact, a fact in issue. Issue is the issue of citizenship. But it could have been at least, who has made the verification?
Because
Who has made the
of
verification?
2019 opinion filed in 2024. So the delay is not been explained, like it's not satisfactory, Lordship. The only documents are of 4 different hospitals, 4 different prescriptions are annexed to this petition. That does not completely explain the delay for filing his writ petition, Lordship.
But this written statement originated at page 37,
Yes,
that is signed by him, not by the brother. Come to the Assamese version, and he
916.
5916, and he signs in English language.
Yes. Lordship, the Gaugara certificate.
Yeah, rupees 37,
of page 32, Lordship.
37.
Gaugara certificate is also, according to their convenience, Silpukri is also mentioned. Then the shifting is also mentioned below handwritten, Lordship. The vernacular part, page 32. And Gaugara is from which book? Gabura is Lordship from which village, I'm not sure, but then he has mentioned that he was in Silpukuri also and Kataguri also. And Gabura is not authorized to issue such certificates, so and it has a state emblem, so it may not.
Mr. Sheikh has very fairly said, Gaumbura, it was not proved by the Gaumbura. So it will not have any
Relevance, Lordship.
relevance.
Lordship, but the delay has not been explained properly, so on delay,
So parental confusion.
the issue of maintainability is still there, Lordship. Page 21 of his petition, he has just a paragraph of delay, Lordship. Delay is of 5 years, 3 months, 16 days, as on date of filing. Page 11 of the writ petition, paragraph 21, Lordship.
Delay regarding?
Filing the writ petition, Lordship, is a 2019 opinion filed in 24.
No, these are, see, this kind of delay will not extinguish the right. He can always challenge it. Why? Because third party right has not accrued. So that cannot be a sole consideration. That can be a consideration for grant of interim order or not grant of interim. But for final adjudication, even if he comes after 10 years, he is bound to get it tested by a higher court whether he is a citizen, whether he is a foreigner or not. Yes, you may be correct in contending that if he is pressing for bail after 10 years suddenly, that would definitely be a relevant submission. But here,
Because today he is for bail also.
no, we are finally adjudicating.
Matter.
We are finally adjudicating.
Lordship, none of the documents here prove his linkage to his projected parents, Lordship. First, there's no continuous stay. The shifting is there, which we have already looked into. None of his voters list figures with his brother or sisters. then the WS is not complete. It has been brought in installments as and when required. Somebody has deposed little bit and little bit like that, Lordship. So, and there's no informative, Lordship, with the opinion of the tribunal.
Voter list, common voter list, brothers, siblings are not there.
Lordship.
Not a single.
Only with one sister is there, but the brother who deposed, his name has not been mentioned in the WS or in the voters list.
Now, you had just, madam, you had just indicated that DW2
Yes, Lordship.
had stated that all the others are elder.
Yes. Page 49, Lordship. Page 49, the last paragraph, Lordship, it says, after shifting from deeding, father purchased landed property in Silveri, father expired in 2000.
49, page 49. I have sisters are elder to me and my brother.
Yes. So they must have been born before 1979, Lordship.
Are the records there?
No, Lordship, not this one.
No records. Oh, yes, it's here. I'd like to check up the position of DW2. Only one proposal. So is. Okay, here. How do you explain this gap, Mr. Sheikh? 65 when the next voters list is 97, 32 years.
But there is no explanation. But my humble submission before your lordship, if other things are okay, my lord, whether this gap will go against me. My lord, voter list 1965-70 is there. Thereafter,
Not 70 is not there.
my lord,
After 65, 97.
97. So, my lord, my humble
32 years.
submission, my humble submission may, I do not have any explanation regarding this. But your lordship consider that regarding other documents if available, whether I will be protected or not. And for the gap only, your lordship.
There is no other documents available.
Well, for the gap only, my lord, whether my fate will be decided. And
Other materials which are available are oral evidence.
my lord, and the thing
65, then 97, and after 97, 2005, 2016.
My lord. So, my lord, my humble submission before your lordship, that if that is taken against me, my lord, keeping aside other documents, my lord, that I'm not.
No, Mr. Sheikh, you have to qualify your question.
For answer.
You have to qualify your question. There are no other documents.
My lord.
From 65 and 97, there are no other documents.
No document, my lord, but 65, my parents' name appear.
Correct.
That's all. In 97, in 1985, parents' name appear.
85 is uncertified copy.
No, uncertified. All right, my lord.
97 we come.
97. In 97, my lord, it thinks that petitioner name appeared and his father's name has been shown. And it is linked with 1965.
Now, Mr. Sheikh, we may not agree with the learned tribunal which has gone to the extent of Javed Ali and Javed Ali, one. That part we may not agree.
Malika Banu, etc.
No, Javed Ali separately and Javed Ali together. It may be the same person writing. We may not agree with that. But we are concerned with the long gap of 32 years on your part to produce a voters list. That raises a serious doubt. 32 years. Where were you? Why aren't you show anything? Any voters list enlisting?
Your lordship would be pleased to see that I was born in 1979. If I am born in 1979, your lordship, then I am qualified to be voter in
That you have given 97.
1979.
Now, that is there. But what about your parents?
Mala.
After 65, the next voter list is 97.
Mala.
Parents, your father was 37 years in 1965, mother 25 years.
Mala.
After 65, you must have voted, father must have voted.
Mala.
And that is the crucial period, this gap,
Mala.
70 onwards. Long gap till 97.
My lord. That crucial period is there. But your lordship would be pleased to see this 1974 vote, the registered deed. 1974 registered sale deed. 74 registered sale deed in the name of my father. (13/3, 1974). Huh? Huh? Mati Singh. Sorry.
Okay.
If similar 74 land document is taken into consideration, then there is gap of 9 years. 9 years.
Yes, would you like to have a look at the records? We'll close this then. Anything want to point out?
Just want to point out, the inquiry, his father was not alive. I think it says here his father's name is late Jahid Ali. And he says my father passed away in the year 2000. There is some, like the inquiry report logic at page 8. He gives his name as Makibur Hussain, 35 years. 35 years, I'm just trying to find out the date of the inquiry logic. It is 21/10/2009. It's 2009. And here, his father's has been
2000 he has passed away. 2000 has passed away.
lost. The London officer. 30 years, there is lot of discrepancies in her age also. In the age of his and his father. Somewhere he's 1933 born, somewhere he's 1928 born. As per the voters list, we just check, cross-check lordship. Lordship, regarding that continuous stay, the Citizenship Act of 1955 says lordship. 6A provisions, it is 2. Subject to these provisions of subsection 6 and 7, all persons of Indian origin who came before the 1st day of January 1966 to Assam from the specified territory, including such of those whose names were included in the electoral rolls used for the purposes of general election to the House of the People held in 1967, who have been ordinarily resident in Assam since the dates of their entry into Assam shall be deemed to be citizens as from the first date of 1966. But the documents do not support them at all, lordship. Lot of discrepancies and the name of all his family members figure here, but he has not disclosed anything in his WS lordship. His brothers, one is Makibur Hussain. One who declared what is his name? He's going to check it. No? Whether his name is there or not. Sazu Rahman's name is not here. The one who has declared
Just a
his
minute.
brother lordship.
What is his wife's name?
Lordship. Also is Sahara Khatun lordship. Her name appears in one of the voters list in 2005, 2016 lordship. 2005 is again a voters list where his name appears single lordship. There's no family members attached to his voters list. At page 25 lordship.
Next registration. Rasida from Rasida, Gauhati Medical College. Please next page.
His name appears with his wife in 2016.
What is his name? Rasida. Please next page. Rasida. No. Who is Rasida Khatun?
Sister.
Huh?
Sister.
Rasida's sister. Name disclosed.
Holidays.
Rasida.
Rashida, we haven't found his name lordship.
Huh?
Lordship is referring to which page lordship?
I'll tell you the page first. Tell us who is Rasida. The brother has said the names of the sisters.
Page 49. Amida and Rabia, Dorina, these three names we found.
Name of the sisters?
Page 45, we have two names lordship, but three.
Okay, sister. Good page. Okay. This Rasida, perhaps we are just having a look at the documents which are not exhibited, the medical documents, because he sustained an injury in our RTA at page 60.
Care of Sahara Khatun, his wife.
That is Sahara, the wife, the DW1.
Yes, Lord.
And if you kindly turn over the page, there is a name of Rasida Khatun.
Yes. Last document, lordship. I think it is only for the purpose of bail, because what was his diagnosis? It's written there 3 years back. Rashida seems to be sister, because in the documents it's mentioned.
Because these discharge and these subsequent document are not of proximate period. The discharge at page 60 is of 2017. Page 60. On the left side, name is father's date of admission, date of discharge, 17. If you turn over the page at GMC, this is a GMC. This is dated 17/9/2020 on the right side.
Yes. And it's filed in 24 lordship, right? Explanation is not
Partly conscious. Okay. That's all? Yes, good.
Lord, regarding the gap period, my lord, though it is not so relevant, but I humbly submit before your lordship pointed out the crucial time, that is 71. So, my lord, in 65, I am in Assam. My parents was in Assam.
You are not in Assam, you are not even born.
But
You are in
my-
you are in some
my-
other
my
space.
Parents
Parents were
parents
there.
was in Assam. Similar, my humble submission before your lordship, if you lordship consider the historical background. In March 1971, Bangladesh liberation war started. Similar, if somebody in Assam peacefully in 1965, definitely he will not go to the turmoil Bangladesh when war is going on, my lord. That is, I submit before your lordship for consideration. Because, my lord, there may be gap, but it is not the case that in 1971, I am in Bangladesh, or before 1971, I am in Bangladesh. Bangladesh was in turmoil condition in 1971 because liberation was going on, liberation war was going on. It was in March 1971. It started in August, it is completed. So there is no question that somebody will go to the war zone. Better the people fled away. As we know, in 1971, lakhs of refugees came to India. And in Assam also, there are large number of refugees. Oblige, your lordship.
MSc, huh? Right, in both. Hearing its concluded judgment is reserved. Okay, I'd like to hear Mr. Payang on that. And Mr. Alim. Okay.
Oblige. My lord, judgment reserved or it
Yes,
will-
reserve.
Well, oblige, your lordship.
I have received these documents, madam. My learned friend has produced the original one probably, madam.
This is for this.
So, my lord, if your lordship want to go, my lord, want to see this document to verify this document, you can verify it. That's a different aspect, my lord. But whether it will come on merit, that is a different aspect.
Correct.
But for the time being, if your lordship want to verify this, I can verify this document, whether it is authentic documents or not. So for that, I maybe give it 2 weeks time, my lord.
We'd like this to be verified because
Yes, yes,
if it turns out to be a genuine document, we'd not have anything.
yes.
But if it's the manufactured document, then our course of action will be different.
Yes. Let me get.
And it would be not only different, it will be serious and severe.
Yes, madam. Let me get it verified.
So get it verified.
Yes.
Hopefully it is what Mr. Alim has said, it is copied from the
Volume.
book, because there's a book number. But there are certain grave errors, even if it is a genuine document.
There are
In
errors.
the stamp, in the rubber stamp, there is not required. If you see on the left side,
No, I have
2005
yes,
of something 1968
60. Cannot be.
would not have been.
The authority is changed. The registering authority is changed now, my lord. This earlier who registered it.
And if you turn over the page, this stamp paper was purchased at Borpeta.
Yes.
See, and it
Yes.
is registered at a certified copy. But that may be permissible. I do not know.
That is permissible, I think.
There may not be a bar, I think. May not be, but you also take instructions on this.
Let me get verified by
Okay.
this.
Then you write, huh? But next week we are not there. We fix after 2 weeks.
Yeah.
If this bench is there, otherwise they go for any other bench. Pursuant to the order dated 21/5/2026, Sri Alim, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has produced the original certified copy of Annexure 3.
Mine.
Full stop. The same as para 3. J. Payang, learned standing counsel, Home Department, has submitted that irrespective of the aspect of genuineness or otherwise of the document, even on merits, the petitioner may not have a case, full stop. However, he submits that the authenticity of the document can be verified from the concerned authority, for which he prays for 2 weeks' time. Para. In the interest of justice, in the interest of justice, we grant 2 weeks time to the learned standing council to get the document verified. Put the list on when? 17th, is it okay? 17th. 17th June, Wednesday.
Deeply obliged, man.
Okay.
13/5.
May it please your lordship.
What is this matter?
The matter pertains to custodial torture, your lordship. Lordship, the petitioner before your lordship is the wife, 24-year-old wife of the victim, your lordship. He was arrested. He was detained on 16/10/2000.
Which place?
Okay.
Which place?
Lordship from Sibsagar, your lordship, district Sibsagar, Sepan.
Okay.
So,
Thereafter?
thereafter, in the wee hours at around 2 a.m., he was detained by a group of drunkard policemen, your lordship. They have come to their house around 2 a.m. at night on 16/10/24, and he was detained without giving them any reason of arrest, and he was taken in the police vehicle. Finding a isolated place, your lordship, near this Moran Hologuri tea state, your lordship, it is in Sepon.
There is amputation of the right leg.
Lordship.
Mr. No?
Lordship, it was an illegal detention. No 47 notice was not served, and in the 48 notice, no ground of arrest was given, your lordship. And during that illegal detention,
Inquiry done. Inquiry done. You have given the report to this court.
We have filed affidavit, yes, Lord, affidavit in opposition, 2 affidavits we have filed. And the reports are there, and Lordship has also directed us to have the case diary of the cases. In fact, Lord, if Lordship may have, case diaries were produced before the honorable court. And we have made copy and submitted the copies, Lord.
Lordship, before going to the aspect of this inquiry, your lordship, I am on the ground of that during the illegal detention, your lordship, during the custody of the police, the incident occurred. And as it is a violation of the of our right to the public right to liberty under Article 22, 21 and 22, your lordship, the petitioner is liable to be compensated, your lordship. As compensation for violation for infringement of the fundamental right is a strict liability, your lordship.
This
Lordship.
encounter.
Lordship. He was asked, he was handcuffed and when he reached that isolated place, and he was asked to run. When he refused to run, he was shot from a point blank range, your lordship. Lordship knows and the law relating to this compensation, your lordship, Rudal Shah.
We'll come back at 2 o'clock.
Pursuant to the detention of the victim, your lordship, he was taken in the police vehicle, and reaching the isolated place, he was handcuffed, and then he was asked to run. When he did not run, he was shot.
No, that is okay. Now, today is for what purpose? The inquiry report has come from the additional district magistrate.
A reply has also been filed regarding.
Can we fix this for admission hearing? Because there is no question of further pleadings. Pleadings are already over. It is, though it is at the stage of admission, we can finally dispose of this matter. Do you have anything else to submit or to file on record?
No, but affidavit in opposition, we have filed the reply. Otherwise.
Tentatively, what are your instructions?
But in fact, in the affidavit, we have said that, in connection with the case, he was taken to police, he was picked up by police. And when he was taken to a particular place, at a particular place, the vehicle of the police got something, it was broke down. Then in that event, ultimately, he expressed to the officer in charge that he wants to urinate. Taking the advantage, he started running and he was warned, but he did not respond and controlled firing was done. And he sustained an injury on his leg. He was hospitalized immediately on 16th of October 2024. And there was an amputation ultimately because during treatment some development.
No, this firing was point blank, that is the allegation.
Firing was, in fact, firing was not on his on leg, it is a control firing, not to kill him. It was
Point blank. Point blank means what? There is no distance. You don't fire a person point blank and you cannot term that as control firing.
Had there been any intention to kill a person point blank, they could have shot it for a vital part of the.
No, those submission you cannot make, Mr. Nats. Those we are not accepting. If there was an intention, we are on the aspect of point blank. Whether you intended to kill or not, that's a different aspect. That will have much serious consequences. Now, do you fire point blank even on the leg?
It is not.
So that is the allegation. What is your take on that?
That is the allegation.
What is your take on that? What does the medical evidence show regarding the distance of firing?
I'll take your lordship to all the reports. In fact, the police did not have the alternative. Ultimately, it is a controlled firing, and the amputation took place on 23rd of October. After 7 days of the incident, he was in hospital since 16th of October. Because of the subsequent development and medical complication, amputation was done. Lordship.
Now, if the firing was not there, was amputation, was it even contemplated?
Lordship will see whether the firing was lawful and whether it was the circumstances was compelling that police.
What is this? What is the evidence regarding the proximity, the distance of the firing?
I'll take
Your contention is that he was under chains.
He was handcuffed.
Yes.
He was
Legs.
and later, your lordship.
The legs were not tied.
No, your lordship. Moreover, he was kept lying in the place of occurrence for 1.5 hours, profusely bleeding. Because as the demo model hospital was only 10 kilometers away from the place of occurrence, but he was rushed there after 1.5 hours, your lordship, as per the doctor's version.
What is the medical evidence regarding the forensic evidence?
Yes.
Page.
Page number 86.
86.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the medical research certificate. Other reports are also there. I'll take a watch of it.
No, not this. Medical evidence on the aspect of firing.
There is no forensic report, your lordship. Only the inquiry is concluded by recording the submission of 12 witnesses, your lordship. That also only 2 doctors, 3 family members, and the 7 police personnel who were directly or indirectly involved in the crime, your lordship. That is how the inquiry was concluded.
There is no forensic examination on the nature of the allegation. If it's an allegation that it is firing was point blank.
No, it's not.
This report is pursuant to any order of this court, madam?
Lordship.
Which order?
Lordship.
Ballistics can give you an idea. Ballistics.
Lordship.
Can give you an idea what was the distance from where, which bullet was fired. Ballistics can-
Lordship,
that is the science.
Lordship. Apart from that, Your Lordship, because amputation was done because the wound has deteriorated, Your Lordship. Because he was profusely bleeding for 1.5 hours, Your Lordship. He was not rushed to the hospital. He was kept lying in the place of occurrence. It was a complete negligence on the part of the police personnel.
The vehicle broke down and the DD copies are there. They have called for another vehicle. The vehicle came and he was taken to the police station, so the hospital immediately. Because the vehicle broke down at that particular place, ultimately the incident had happened. Well, case there is a with me, Logify fix the matter on Tuesday. I'll just go through and see the validation.
Moreover, Your Lordship.
Just a minute.
Will become a disabled person. Once there is amputation. Once somebody undergoes an amputation. It becomes a disabled person.
Moreover,
What is the meaning of a judicial inquiry, Mr. Nath? Judicial inquiry, because you said page 69, a notice by the additional district magistrate
In the petition.
in the writ petition 69, 70. 70 is the vernacular.
Administrative officials can also conduct judicial inquiry.
But in fact, this was directed by the district magistrate.
Or like say, suppose there is a, like we have the provision in CRPC. There is a.
170.
Yeah, and in the bail also, there are general also.
Yes.
With the debt of a prisoner.
Under
Inquiry, then that is done by executive ministry.
that is done by the judicial magistrate.
Judicial ministry.
Judicial magistrate. These inquiries are by the ADC or the
ADC. So this can be also called the judicial inquiry.
This is a ministerial inquiry, not a judicial. It's not called, no. This is
Not a judicial.
No, this is a ministerial inquiry.
So the process of judicial understand is that an inquiry conducted by a judicial person, a judicial personnel.
Judicially trained.
Judicial inquiry, administrative personnel. But if you look at the process, suppose you conduct an inquiry, suppose an administrative officer, you record evidence, and then on collect some documents. Then you apply your mind to the evidence and the documents. You appreciate the materials and then arrive at a finding. That process will be a judicial inquiry. So at least quasi judicial. Surely quasi judicial.
In the ministerial inquiry also, they used to call the witnesses and they used to collect the materials and all. But the standard of the ministerial inquiry is we consider.
But will that be called judicial inquiry? I'm asking, I don't.
No, that is a ministerial inquiry. Ministerial inquiry.
Administrative inquiry.
Yes.
moreover, Your Lordship, if a person suffers during illegal detention, that itself is a ground for the constitutional court to grant pecuniary benefits, Your Lordship, pecuniary compensation.
In fact, it is translated copy. The page 69 is a judicial inquiry, is a translated copy by the petitioner. In fact, page 70 is the vernacular.
দণ্ডাধিক
Ministerial.
দণ্ডাধিক পর্যায়ের তদন্ত।
It's a ministerial.
Now, why we have asked you, because this court, while issuing notice,
Lordship.
had taken cognizance of this aspect. If you turn to the order by which notice was issued on 2/12/2024,
Lordship.
Paragraph 6, taking note of the submission made by the learned senior government advocate that a judicial inquiry has been ordered. That is why we had asked you. Paragraph 6.
Over 4 minutes, I have.
No, it may be a misnomer or a wrong use of word, but so we wanted to get the clarification from you.
That is the inquiry report at page 6970. We have referred to that only because while moving the petition, we have annexed that. And I accordingly asked them that inquiry was.
Now, what is the prima facie opinion of the inquiry by the ADC, ADM?
Inquiry report we have annexed.
Yes.
The report suggests that at page 100, conclusion, the incident occurred during the late night hours. It would have been prudent for the police to exercise utmost caution when transporting the accused, who is a surrendered alpha cadre. Additional security measures would likely have prevented the incident of firing. It seems that the police authorities have adhered to established protocols in providing medical assistance to the accused.
Adhered.
But in the light of this finding, I am ordered to submit the inquiry report. But so this is the conclusion. Otherwise, the report I have to.
You have you filed any response to this report?
Lordship,
You have
I
filed.
reply, Your Lordship. He was kept lying in the place of occurrence for 1.5 hour, Your Lordship, and that profuse bleeding has led to the amputation of his leg, Your Lordship. That is the reason they have neglected, Your Lordship. He was in their care, and so caution should be taken by them, Your Lordship. He was in their care and custody, so it was their duty to take.
We'll have this for admission hearing. Next week itself.
Lordship, after vacation, Your Lordship.
What vacation?
Lordship, next week I have some difficulty, Your Lordship.
What vacation?
After
July vacation. July vacation.
July vacation, Your Lordship.
Madam, we wanted to finish up there.
Yes.
Okay. Heard. Ms. F. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Sridinath, learned senior advocate. The learned counsel have jointly submitted that the matter is ripe for final consideration. Full stop. Ms. Hussain, the learned counsel prays for a date to be given after the summer holidays. Para, considering the subject matter involved, let this matter be listed for admission hearing on 16th of July. Is it okay? 16th July,
Yes.
Thursday.
Yes. Oblige, Your Lordship.
Lordship, the matter was earlier disposed of. Thereafter, a review was.
Restored to file.
May I join? May I join in intervene in the matter?
Yes, yes.
I filed a review in the matter. Review application was numbered as review petition 120 of 2020.
Yes.
And the review was disposed of by the division bench of the court, headed by N.K. Singh as he then was.
Yes, yes.
On 25/3/22, and allowing the review and directing that matter should be heard afresh.
Yes.
So since I have not received any notice, my lord, because I asked my junior to mention the review also, but review was not shown in the list, and so my name was not shown. So I will pray, my lord, along with the review, matter may be placed for hearing, further hearing in the next week, any date, showing my name in the case.
Mr. Chali, you are assisting.
No, we are counsel of earlier case, Your Honor.
Now Mr. Chalia would be appearing.
Check.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Madam, your name?
B. Das on behalf of A.M. Ahmed.
Okay. Heard Miss B. Das, Learned Counsel, as well as, no, Heard Sri DP Chalia, Learned Senior Counsel, who is appearing online, as well as Miss B. Das, Learned Counsel, who is present in the court. Ms. Das, the Learned Counsel, has submitted that the writ petition was handled by her and with her colleagues, which was, however, dismissed. Full stop. Thereafter, our review petition number 120 of 2020 was moved, in which the London Senior Counsel Sri Chalia had argued, and the said review petition was allowed on 25/3/2022. Full stop. This court, why the said order had also directed listing of this case for hearing after receipt of the case records. Full stop. Office note dated 8/4/2024 indicates that case records have been received. Para? The cause list has not reflected the name of Sri Chaliha and his associate. Full stop. Para? In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 2nd of June 2026 by showing the name of Sri DP Chaliha and his associates in the cause list. Listed for hearing, huh? Mr. Chalia, yes?
Yes.
Tuesday next.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Your petition lordship maybe.
Do you have a copy, madam?
No, Your Honor.
You have to take help of the court records. Senior counsel is online. We cannot burden him to. Okay. Okay.
No.
Item 8.
Judgment is at page 18, man.
Two 622. Which tribunal?
My lord, Furnace Tribunal, Nagaon, my lord.
Page.
Page 18, my lord.
80.
18.
18.
Judgment is dated 31/2019. declared as foreigner post 1971 stream, my lord.
Okay.
May I read, my lord?
Yeah, no, that is not required. What is your date of birth? Year of birth?
It's 1957, my lord. 26/1/1957.
Date of birth you have? 26?
1/1957.
Okay.
He claims to be born in India. He
Lordship?
claims to be born in India.
Born in.
And you adduced how many witnesses? Evidence through how many witnesses?
3 witnesses, my lord.
3 DWs.
3 PWs.
Who are those?
Uh,
DW1 is the petitioner.
One is the petitioner, my lord. Second is my lord, Gambura, my lord. No, Shiv Shankar Puri, elder brother.
Second
And
is elder brother.
Elder brother. And third one is my lord, Gambura, my lord, Mohendra Kanto
Okay.
Gambura, and DW3 is Shiv Shankar Puri.
No, you said DW2 is brother.
DW2 is Shiv Shankar Puri, my lord.
Brother.
Elder brother.
Hmm. And 3 is Gauhati.
Gambura.
Okay.
Mahendra Kewat.
Okay. What are your documents?
Documents, lordship will see at the page 35, my lord. This is a certificate from Gambura. That is Exhibit 1. Page 35, my lord.
Gauhati certificate.
Gambura certificate.
Let us come to the.
Now, second.
No, to the vernacular. Where is the vernacular?
Vernacular, my lord.
34. Not 34.
Vernacular is page 40, my lord.
40.
40.
Have we given separately? 40. Okay. Sarkari Gauhati Praman Patra. Dated.
Dated, my lord. 4/10/2014. But the second document, my lord, voter list, my lord.
This was exhibit 1.
Exhibit 1 is the Gambura certificate, my lord.
Can we read this year দ্বারা প্রমাণ পত্র দেয়া হয় যে শ্রী উদয় শঙ্কর পুরী পিতা স্বর্গীয় হরচন্দ্র পুরী আং থিং টাউন ওয়ার্ড নাম্বার 2 পোস্ট অফিস ধিং থানা ধিং বতদ্র উক্ত মানুহজনক মই ভালদৰে চিনি পাওঁ তেওঁ এই গাঁৱৰ নিবাসী হয় তেওঁৰ উজ্জ্বল ভৱিষ্যত কামনা কৰিলো Proved by DW3.
Yes.
No, it was not considered.
This was not considered, my lord, but it is.
It was not considered taken in the past.
Cross-examined, not cross-examined.
They are not considered.
Gambura was not cross-examined, my lord. Itu কার? এইটু কার? Cancel through me. Mohinder Kirk, yes. He crosses my one. My lord. Second document, my lord, is the voters list, my lord.
Which year, page?
Page, my lord, 36. And originally is at, my lord, page 41, my lord.
60.
Whose name?
Haricharan, his father, my sister.
Harcharan.
Harcharan Puri, my lord.
Yes.
Somewhere, my lord, is written Haricharan, my lord, somewhere Harcharan, my lord.
Age is 40, what? This is.
And
Who
mother
is
name?
Kamalawala?
Kamalawala is mother, my lord. Wife of Harcharan, my lord.
Actual name is Horizon.
Actually,
Harcharan.
Horizon.
Harcharan,
Horizon.
Haricharan, my lord.
Thereafter?
The original is at page 41, my lord.
Yes, 41 you say.
Then second,
This is exhibit 2, 65.
yes,
both are-
exhibit 2, my lord. Second is, my lord,
1965.
1965, my lord.
No, 1965 was 1970 thereafter.
And 17, that is the next, my lord. That is father name, my lord, Haricharan.
Here, Horisharan Kudi.
Yes. And mother name is same, my lord, Kamala Bala, wife of Harcharan, my lord. This is exhibit 3, my lord. And original is at page 42, my lord.
Thereafter?
Thereafter, my lord, I have produced, my lord, transfer certificate of Dhing Public High School, where he has left the school at class 5, my lord. Where his date of birth is there, my lord, 26/1/57, my lord.
Or some of the records are considered for one of these two. When I diagnosed the cancer,
Case two.
he need to is more than consider for an asylum. I think that's all the asylum.
Original is at page 43, my lord. Sarita DW is D. Nurul Islam headmaster. Sorry.
Thereafter,
Thereafter, my lord, one sale deed, my lord. I think this is unregistered sale deed, my lord. Which has been page 39, my lord. Extract is there, my lord, and original is at page 44, my lord.
sale deed of what?
Sale deed of land, my lord.
Regarding, amongst?
Among, my lord, Uday Shankar Puri, the petitioner, my lord, and Hari Shankar Devnath of Dhing, 2 kata 7 lachas. It's not registered. Not registered, not registered.
Not exhibited.
No, exhibit, but this was not registered document, my lord. Originally is page 44, my lord. They are 5 brothers, 3 sisters, my lord. DW1, Uday Shankar Puri's statement is at page 50, my lord.
The sale deed was exhibited what? Exhibit
Exhibit, my lord,
5.
5.
Is it 5?
5, 8. Sale deed registered for exhibit for an And DW1 statement, my lord, at page 15.
You did not say this is exhibit 5.
Just
Sale
yeah,
deed?
my lord, in the judgment, they have stated
It should be 5, I think.
for exhibit 5 here is not in the judgment. Yes. Lordship may see page 19, my lord, of the judgment. Last 2 lines, my lord. Apart from above exhibited documents, proceeding has furnished copy of non-registered sale deed executed dated 29/5/2009.
Okay, and this. Where is the evidence of the proceeding?
The proceeding at page 50, my lord.
59.
50.
That is the cross-examination.
His statement is there, the statement.
Deposition?
My lord, deposition is page 29. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Para 1. I, Shri Uday Shankar Puri, son of late Harishchandra Puri, aged about 59 years, resident of Dhing town, PS Dhing, Mauja Dhing,
You
district
can
Nagaon.
read the relevant portion.
Yes, 11% from para 5, my lord. That I am a citizen of India by birth. My father name is late Harchandra Puri and my grandfather name is Kholok. And my mother's name is Kamola Bala and they all are Indian citizens. This is true. That I was born and brought up at Dhing town, Sonarigaon under Dhing Police Station in the district Nagaon and have stated my conjugal life and also presently residing there with my family. In this regard, the government Gambura has issued a certificate. Exhibit 1 is the certificate and Exhibit 11 is the signature that my father's name is Harchandra Puri, son of Kholok, and mother's name is Kamola Bala, whose name were enrolled in the year in the voter list of 1965 and 1970 of Samogao under number 86 Assam Assembly Dhing constituency wide serial number so and so so and so. Exhibit 2 and 3 are certified copies thereof. That I have an educational certificate to prove my date of birth. As per the educational certificate, my date of birth is 26/157. Exhibit 4 is the educational certificate. That I have landed properties in my name, and Exhibit 5 is the said property document. That my actual correct name is Uday Shankar Puri, but in the notice my name is mentioned as Uday. However, both Uday Shankar Puri and Uday are one and the same person having same identity. On the other hand, my father's original and correct name is Harachandra Puri, but in some documents and also in notice issued by this honorable court, his name has been inserted as Haracharan Puri, Haricharan Puri and Harichandra. But Harchandra Puri, Haricharan Puri and Harichandra Puri are the same and one person, that is my father. On the other hand, my grandfather's original and correct name is Kholok, but in the voter list of the year 1970, his name is recorded as Golok. But Golok and Kholok are the same and one person, that is my grandfather. On the other hand, the place of my birth and where I am presently residing is Dhing town. But as there was a common voting center and as such the voter list of the year 1965-70, the address of my parents was shown as Chamugao. In this connection, to prove the same, I have exhibited an additional affidavit before your honorable court and marked as Exhibit 6. I am not a foreign national. There is no valid reason for initiation of present legal proceedings against me, and therefore the present proceeding may liable to be dismissed. I, being a deponent, solemnly affirm what this is, and his cross is there at page 50, my lord.
Cross at page
50, my lord.
59.
50, my lord.
Yeah, 50.
50.
Yes, please.
I was born and brought up village Sonarigaon, ward number 2, Dhing, and born in the year 1957. I read up to class 5 at Dhing Public High School, and I have furnished the school certificate to establish my legacy with my father. My father name is Harcharan Kuri, son of Suluk Kuri, and my mother is Kamala Kuri, and their names have been enrolled in the year 1965-70. And my mother's name was enrolled till last election, and my mother has a voter ID card in her name. My mother expired 2 years ago, and father expired 40 years ago. My name was first enrolled in the voter list in list of 1997, but it was marked as D voter. I got married with one Tultul Puri. Her name is also enrolled in the voter list of 1997, and she also casting her vote as a regular voter. I have 5 brothers. They are Shiv Shankar Puri, Sadhay Puri, Sadhan Puri, Narayan Puri, Uday Shankar Puri self, and my brothers' names have been enrolled in the voter list during the year 1985. I have filed the voter list of 1965 and 1970 to prove the presence of my father within the territory. This is his statement, my lord. No, he took it as a DW. Then deposition of DW2, my lord, Shiv Shankar Puri. That is at page 54, my lord. Page 54, my lord. I'm reading for para 2, my lord. That I know the opposite party of the aforesaid case. He is my own brother. His name is Udashankar Puri. Our father's name is Harachandra Puri and grandfather's name is Golok Chandra Puri. We all are resident of aforementioned locality. The above named opposite party is not a foreigner. The present legal proceeding has been initiated against him only on the basis of suspicion. It is not a fact that opposite party has illegally entered into the territory of India from East Pakistan or from Bangladesh during the period 66 to 71 and or thereafter. As because he was born and brought up at Ding town, Sonarigao, PS Ding Moza, Batadabra, and being grew up, he went to his maternal uncle residence in Manipur and started to reside there. At present, though he is residing there in Manipur and doing his business, but he actually visits our home. But he still has not acquired the citizenship of Manipur. For several times he applied for registration of his name in the voter list of Ding, but his name has not been inserted. However, in the voter list of the year 1997, his name was shown as D voter, but he is temporarily residing in Manipur and has permanent residence at Ding town. In this respect of the village headman, Gambura, has issued a certificate that my father's name was enrolled in the voter list of the year 1965 and 1980. That should be 1970, my lord. My brothers and opposite party has a school certificate in his name and properties are also registered in his name. All the relevant certificates, documents have been submitted before this honorable court. The opposite party name is Uday Shankar Puri, but in the notice his name was mentioned as Uday. But Uday Shankar Puri and Uday are the same name, one person, the opposite party himself. Our father originally and correct name is Harchandra Puri, but in some of the documents his name was recorded as Harcharan Puri, Haricharan Puri, and Harichandra. However, Haricharan Puri, Harichandra Puri, and Harichandra are the same and one person, that is my father. On the other hand, our grandfather's actual and correct name is Golak Chandra Puri, but in some of the documents his name has been mentioned as Golak and Kolak. But Golak Chandra Puri and Kolak are the same and one person, that is our grandfather. So this is the statement of PW2. And on page 62 is the cross-examination, my lord. 62 is the cross-examination of DW2, my lord. Small cross, my lord, I'm reading. I was born and brought up at village Ding town and born in the year 1957 and read up to class 10 at Ding GB High School, Ding. My father's name is late Harachandra Puri, son of Golak Chandra Puri. Mother is Kamala Puri, and they were living at Ding before my birth. My father expired about 40 years ago, and he was a voter of Ding LSC 1965 and 1970. My name was enrolled with my mother in the voter list of 1985 and thereafter. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters. They are namely Kalpana Puri, Subshankar Puri, Uday Shankar, Bhavana Soday Puri, Arati Puri, Narayan Puri. Proceeding, Uday Shankar Puri is my brother who was born at Ding and he used to live in Montipukri and doing his business.
It should be DW2, I think. 2, I think, not 3. On the top?
On the, I think DW2, my lord, is
Two, I think.
wrongly. Sorry, my lord, it is wrongly.
Original also it's DW3.
You, sorry. Proceeding, Uday Shankar Puri is my mother. My brother who was born at Ding and he used to live at Montipur, so also business. Business means, my lord, he was shifted to Manipur. He was a salesman in a shoe shop, my lord. His name has been recorded as a D voter, my lord. Now 58 is the DW3.
Gambura.
Gambura, my lord. I'm reading from para 2, my lord. That I know the opposite party of the aforesaid case. His name is Uday Shankar Puri. His father name is Harchandra Puri, and grandfather's name is Golok Chandra Puri. All are citizens of India and permanent residents of the aforesaid locality. I know their family very well. The above named opposite party was born and brought up at the aforesaid address, and later on he went to Manipur at the residence of his maternal uncle for doing business, and presently also he is staying there and doing his business. But he usually visits Ding town to meet his family members and brothers as they are residing in Ding town. The opposite party has properties in his name in Ding town, and he has also school certificate. His father's name was also enrolled in the voter list for the year 1965 and 70. Many times the opposite party has applied for enrollment of his name in the voter list, but his name was not enrolled in the voter list. But in the voter list of the year 1997, his name was enrolled and marked as D voter. I have issued a certificate in favor of opposite party. Exhibit 1 is the said certificate, and Exhibit 1 is my signature. The opposite party not illegally entered into territory of India from East Pakistan or from Bangladesh during the period 66 to 71 and thereafter. The original and correct name of the opposite party, Uday Shankar Puri, but in some relevant documents his name has been mentioned as Uday, but Uday Shankar Puri and Uday is the same and one person, the opposite party. The original and correct name of the father of the opposite party is Harichandra Puri, but in the documents as mentioned Haricharan Puri and Haricharan Puri and Harichandra. However, Haricharan Puri, Haricharan are the same person. Then the original and correct name of the grandfather of the opposite party is Golok Chandra Puri, but in the some documents his name is mentioned as Golok and Kholok. But Golok Chandra Puri and Golok are the same person. That is the grandfather of the opposite party. Then his cross-examination was not done.
His cross.
His cross was not done.
So this is the cross part. This is the chief part.
Chief.
Cross was not done.
Not done.
PW3.
No, not done.
It stands. It stands.
It stands. And Lordship, I've annexed some documents, my lord. Page 70, Lordship may see the Ding municipality, my lord. This is 2015.
Page
70, my lord.
17.
70. This is a voter list of Ding, my lord, 2015.
Municipal board election.
Municipal election, my lord. His name at serial 190, my lord. Then his brother's also name is there, my lord. Sadhan Narayan Puri. Tultul Puri is his wife, my lord. Page 196 serial number.
Sadoy, who's Sadoy?
My lord?
Sadoy? Sadoy, who is Sadoy Puri?
Sadoy Puri, my lord, just check, my lord.
Shiv Shankar is your brother.
Yes, Shiv Shankar is my brother, my lord. It's a DW2 passport. Then Narayan Puri is also his brother, my lord. Lordship may compare with page 50, my lord. Sadhan Puri is also his brother, my lord. 196, last one, my lord. Tultul Puri, that is his wife, my lord. Then Suday Puri also his brother, my lord. Then Kamala Puri, my lord, Kamala Bala somewhere written, my lord. That is mother of the petitioner, my lord. Number 1. Gita Rani ऐसा नहीं Gita Rani Puri is, my lord, the wife of Shiv Shankar. that is elder brother be DW2, my lord. Gita Rani Kuri. Then, my lord, page 72 is a Jamabandi, my lord, of his father, my lord. The name is mentioned, Harcharan Puri, my lord, at serial number 4, page 72. This is, my lord, certified copy of Jamabandi 68-69, my lord.
Jamabandi in the name of?
My lord, serial number 4, my lord. His father, my lord, Harcharan Puri, my lord. All are son of Golok. That is his grandfather, my lord. The serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 are their brothers, my lord. The original, I think, my lord, page, that is page 74, my lord. Then at page 75, my lord, that PRC, my lord, permanent residence certificate has been issued by the Deputy Commissioner Nagaon, my lord.
75.
This is 6985, my lord. Nice. Shiv Shankar. Then the voter list, my lord, of 2013 at page 76. Of course, these document has not been exhibited, my lord. Voter list 2013. On the right hand side, my lord.
But this is also 13 is not relevant, not exhibited also.
Not exhibited, but I just for my supporting my case, my lord, I've given this. And but 76 original is at page 77, my lord. Then NRC, my lord, at page 78. His Kamala Puri, my lord, her mother, Shiv Shankar Puri, her brother, elder brother, Gitarani is the wife of Shiv Shankar, Anil. Then Sanjay Puri. All right. Naran Asrena. And Naran Puri, my lord, at serial number 8.
This NRC is of which year?
Family, my lord.
NRC
NRC will be in the year 30th July 2018. His family member's name is there, my lord. His name is not there.
But this is proved, not proved.
These documents
NRC?
had not exhibited, my
Not
lord.
exhibited.
I'll just some support of my case.
Petitioner's name not there.
No. His but family member's name is there, my lord.
Yes.
Because he was declared D voter, my lord. That's why his name has not been there in subsequent documents, my lord. Sadhan Puri, my lord, next NRC page 81. Sadhan Puri, his brother is there, my lord. Son of Harishan Puri.
What is 81?
81, my lord, is other brother, my lord. His name is there.
NRC, not exhibited.
Not exhibited, my lord. All family members. Then, my lord, in page 83, Sadhan Puri, it should be Sadhan, my lord. Harishan, father Harishan Puri, my lord. his name is there in the voter list? And NRC, sorry, NRC, my lord.
You show us the document which were exhibited. See, supporting document, we can also look.
Like, just for.
Just let us first see what are the documents which
Yes.
were placed before the.
Document is, my lord, exhibit 1 to exhibit 5, my lord.
Exhibit 5 minutes.
Where is your voter list?
Our voter list.
You have given a voter list of municipal election.
Yes. Municipal election.
Where is your voter list? First voter list.
My name was there in 1997, I think.
1997, I was
voter list to diya
exhibit 2.
Exhibit 2.
Exhibit 2, আমি voter দেখাচ্ছি যে
Haricharan Puri, 65 exhibit 2.
29%, 29%, sir. 29%.
Nine.
You don't have any voter list.
No,
You were 57 born. 78, your voter list should be there.
It has been mentioned in the DW1 in the cross that my name was first enrolled in the voter list 1997, but it was marked as D voter.
So there is no single voter list of your name. You are 57 born. How do you connect yourself with Horsaron?
Actually, my case is that, my lord, that at the young age, my lord, he went to Manipur doing salesman there, my lord, in a shoe shop, my lord. So normally, my lord,
So he'll not be a voter in Manipur.
no, he's not a voter of Manipur.
So why not? You have to be voter at least somewhere. 57 born, that means 78, your name should have been there.
Some people may never enroll.
Possibly, my lord, but his statement
that-
is there, my lord. My name was enrolled in the voter list of 1997, but it was marked as D.
So that is irrelevant. 97 is 57 born, 67, 77, 78.
That
See,
time,
if it is not enrolled, it
that
will
time,
be.
my lord, this issue was not there, my lord, foreigners issue.
No, not question of foreigner.
And secondly, my lord, he has given that school certificate, Gaubura certificate.
School certificate, who has proved?
Gaubura, my lord.
School certificate.
No school, sorry.
No, school certificate is headmaster, my lord.
Headmaster has proved. As?
Not
proved.
Not proved.
Page number 20 of the heading.
Page number 20 of the judgment, my lord.
We have seen the school certificate, it's not been proved.
Not been proved.
And the Gaubura certificate, what has the Gaubura said? Let us see Gaubura's evidence. DW.
Gaubura, my lord.
School headmaster is page 65, Lord.
Headmaster has come.
Yes, Lord.
Well, Mr. We asked you, said 3 DWs.
60.
You said 3 DWs.
65.
How many DWs?
Three.
One brother, one headmaster, he himself.
Or not the Gaubura?
No.
Gaubura was there.
Gabura has not.
Gaubura was not been cross-examined. Gaubura statement that 65 is the headmaster, my lord.
That means four DWs.
Four, but one was not examined, my lord. That's Gambura was not cross-examined.
No, cross-examination is.
But then there will be, my lord, DW, but he has been examined, but original quote is Nurul Islam. Lordship, the original is at page 66. It is cross one here. I'm reading this, my lord, page 65, my lord, the headmaster. I am working as a headmaster of Dhing Public High School, Dhing, since 2016. I came to depose my evidence on receipt of the notice from the court. Exhibit 4 school certificate was issued in the name of one Uday Shankar Puri, son of Harachandra Puri, on the basis of admission register of the school. Today I have produced the admission register of the school for the year 1966 to till 1978, where the name of Udashankar Puri is recorded in serial number 542, dated 16/2/67, and his date of birth is mentioned as 26/1/57, and father name is mentioned as Harcharan Puri. As per record, Proceedee took admission at Dhing Public School in class 5 on transfer from Talibor, Sonarigaon to. I have furnished a certified copy of the register in court as Exhibit 4 is my certificate, and Exhibit 4 is my signature with C. Hmm? 65. Judge and local. Produced, not produced. Then one affidavit, my lord, which of course that was not produced, my lord, at page 68. But this was not produced, my lord, I should say, before the magistrate, my lord, in the year 54, my lord, 9/12/54. I, Shri Jayachandra Kuri, may I read, my lord?
Not produced.
Not produced, my lord. But this is one of the brother, no, brother, oh, brother of the mother, his father, my lord. Aged about 58 years, original resident of village Manmungsia, at present residing at village Laskar Pathar, PS, Jamnamukh district, Nagaon, Assam. That I migrated to Assam at the above address from East Pakistan with my family.
Even if this was produced, unless it is proved, what evidentiary probative value it will have?
I think this matter is to remand, my lord.
To remand on the basis of what, which documents?
But these are the documents, subsequent documents which I filed it, my lord.
No, this affidavit cannot be cannot have any probative value.
But this was the fact that this was executed in the 54, my lord, 1954.
Now, doesn't matter, but you have executed an affidavit. Can it be of any probative value in a judicial proceeding?
But then other document is also there, my lord. Jamabandi of his father, my lord.
Who is Jayachandra Kuri? Was he a witness?
Jayachandra was
one of witness.
Petitioner's father's brother, my lord.
Paternal uncle. He was not one of the witnesses.
No, he was not a witness, my lord.
So what is your document? Your document is only the school certificate.
And headmaster statement also is there, my lord.
That is school certificate. School certificate.
Yes.
Nothing else.
Yes.
But you have to ask a very respond to a very vital aspect. A person born in the year 1957 doesn't have a single voter list. First voter list of 97 where you are marked D.
D voter.
Your explanation is that he went to Manipur.
Yes, for young age, my lord, he went to Manipur.
Let us see where have you stated?
Yes, lordship may see my petition, my lord. Page, page 3, my lord.
No, not writ petition.
My lord.
Written statement. We are not seeing writ petition. No,
Written
no.
statement.
Pleading is only written statement.
Yes, written statement is there, my lord. Page 23, my lord.
2-3.
2-3. Wait, question again. In fact, my lord, I'm not seeing he's making any statement.
Not even a whisper.
Yes, but his brother at page 54 had stated that, my lord.
Let us see 54.
Page 54, my lord. 54, my lord. My lord, second para, fourth line, my lord. The present legal proceeding has been in, no, fourth question. Yes. In the middle portion, my lord. As because he was born and brought up at Ding Town, middle portion, my lord. And being grew up, he went to his matrimonial uncle's residence in Manipur and started to reside there. At present, he is residing there in Manipur and doing business, but he usually visits our home. Are you question?
Okay.
My lord. So his brother has stated that, my lord.
Without pleadings.
Uh,
This is a very vital aspect.
yes. In cross also his brother stated that, my lord, that he living Monty Kukri. His name was in the voter list that is there, my lord, 1997, but আছে না 97 voter list ওটা
বাপেকৰটো আছে ন সেইটো আমি দিয়া এক্সিকিউটিভ সেইটো আছিলে বাপেকে কি চিটিজেন আছে
Yes.
জং
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Other matters perhaps will not be able to take up. Others can leave. We'll finish this matter.
Submission is that lordship, there is no information in the opinion concerning large private individual and lordship. Tribunal rightly observed that there is no continuity at all, Lord. Only 4 documents are executed by the proceeding lordship. One Gauhati certificate, which was not proved lordship, and one 1966 footer list and 1970 footer list, and lordship full transfer certificate exhibit 4. Only these 4 documents, Lord.
Yes.
No link document.
Link document, lordship Gauhati certificate was placed for the tribunal as a link document, but it was not proved.
Not proved. Say 96 and 70 are not linked document.
Yes, lordship. And lordship full certificate was proved lordship.
Yes.
And my humble submission is that school certificate what headmaster has deposed lordship, some portion of deposition lordship tell you it the deposition made by the proceeding lordship. That is one aspect lordship. And but lordship, there is no continuity after 1967. There is no pleadings at all. Where when his father's died lordship, when his date of birth was not mentioned, place of birth was not mentioned, and lordship, if we see the voter list lordship, the 1966 voter list is of Tomuagao, page 36, and vernacular is at page 41. Vernacular is at page 41. Then it is also of Somuagao, but lordship proceeding in his deposition said that lordship he was born and brought up at.
This is 1966 voter list. Yes.
Lordship.
Yes.
It is Harsaran Puri and Kamala Bala.
Yes, correct.
His name is
There is a declaration regarding Somalia, I think.
Yes, lordship. Proceeding said that lordship he is born and brought up at village Punarigao, not Somuagao. But this voter list is of this Somuagao.
Where did he tell that he was born and brought up?
Yes, lordship.
আমি কোশ্চেন আছে সোনারি গাঁও
Space 50 Lordship. I was born and brought up village Sonarigao, ward number 2, in and born in the year 1957. I read up to class 5 at in public school. I have furnished the school certificate to establish my legacy with my father. My father name is Harsaran Puri, son of Sulak Puri, and mother name is Komala Puri, and their names have been enrolled in the voter list of 1965 and 1970. And my mother's name was enrolled till last election, and my mother has voter ID card in her name. My mother expired about 2 years ago. But Lordship, in this case, after 1970, Lordship, there is no existence in respect of his mother, Lordship. My mother's expired 2 years ago, and father expired 40 years ago. And father's, if he died about 40 years ago, then he is alive up to 1978 almost. Then, but after 1970, he is also disappearing, Lordship. And after that, I have 5 brothers. They are so and so. But in meetings, those things are not mentioned, Lordship. Apart from that, Lordship, there is nothing to establish his name, which is projected further, whose name reflected in the voter list of 1965. And some documents he has connected, villages are also some different, Lordship.
That school register was exhibited.
Yes, Lordship.
School register.
Yes. Fencing, Lordship.
Yes.
That is important for the This is exhibited, Lordship, and it was almost daily. What that is mentioned. Proceeding has said, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, if
Page
we
20
ignore the school certificate, then nothing, Lordship, except school certificate, Lordship, there is no.
School certificate is exhibit.
Exhibit 4, Lordship.
That has been reflected in the
Exhibit
judgment.
1, exhibit 1.
Yeah.
Not 4.
Exhibit 4, Lordship.
4, is it 4?
Yes.
Exhibit 4, madam.
Exhibit 4, correct. Exhibit 4. And school register?
School register.
They have produced the admission register of the school from the year 1966 to till 1978, where name of Uday Shankar Puri is recorded in serial number 542, dated 16 to 1967, and his date of birth is mentioned as 16. 26
Headmaster.
1957,
Headmaster
and first name is mentioned as Harchandra Puri. As per record, he proceeded to admission and in public school at class 5 on transfer from Talibor, Sonarigao to P. I have furnished the certified true copy of the register in the court. Exhibit 4 is the certificate. Exhibit 4(1) is my signature with it.
And that school register?
It was not, although he has stated that he has submitted the school register, Lordship, it was not exhibited, Lordship, perhaps. Record. Lordship, it is here. Lordship, it is not exhibited. 16.
But it's such a old register, this photocopy when printed out, it's written admission register. But very black, I think original will be very, this thing, and name is there, madam. The name is there, madam, in the school register. Father name is also written there.
Using his photo list of the
No, but here Sonarigaon is not written in the certificate. They just written Town, inhabitant of Town. Public school.
Lordship.
Interesting.
Proceed is born in the year of 1957, Lordship. He getting Lordship his voting right in the year of 1978. But Lordship, not a single voter is taking place, Lordship.
This headmaster at page 66. What did he say about this certificate? Who issued this certificate? Page 66. He says this is why we are asking. This certificate is dated 12/11/2016. He left the school in 1968. So after how many years? 68, 78, 88, 98, after almost 40 years. After 40 years, this certificate has been issued. No problem with that. No immediate problem. Problem is there, but that may not be the fatal problem. It is dated
12/11/2016.
Yes.
That, and this person who states on oath as the headmaster, he said, I am working as headmaster of Dhing Public High School since 2016. That means he was there. I came to depose my evidence on receipt of the notice from the court. Exhibit 4 is the school certificate was issued in the name of one Uday Shankar, so and so. He has not said he has issued it.
No.
And why we are asking this gentleman who has given his signature in the witness box and see the signature of the issuing authority, entirely different. Page 66 and page 43.
Two person has signed this certificate, my lord. One is inspector of school.
No, we are not we are the headmaster.
Headmaster is there on the right hand side,
Yes.
extreme right hand side, headmaster.
This headmaster, if
Yes.
he is the headmaster at page 66, his signature is totally different. And he has not even said that I have issued. He should have assertively said that I have issued this.
But if you read it.
Because he says that he joined it to 2016. So personally, he doesn't know the petitioner. It is only on the basis of records.
Records. But lordship will see, I'm reading the page 65 again, my lord. And admittedly, the register has been exhibited, my lord. The entry to the register also been exhibited where his father's name is, his name is there, my lord. So
But
he
it's not
can-
been marked. It's not been proved. Has it been proved?
It's not marked.
But it is exhibited, my lord.
No, not exhibited.
Uh,
In his certified copy, he only statement is clear that lordship is.
Please read, Mr. Roy.
65.
Page 66 or the
65, my lord.
66.
66. I am working as headmaster of Ding Public High School.
Ding.
Ding. Since 2016, I came to depose my evidence on receipt of the notice from the court. Exhibit 4 school certificate was issued in the name of one Uday Shankar Puri, son of Harichandra Puri
Of village, Ding town.
Ding town, on the basis on the basis, I think,
Basis.
on the basis of the admission register of the school. Today I have produced the admission register of school. School that is school from the year from the school there is one word missing, my lord. School administration register. Huh? School maintain, register school maintain from the year 1966 till 19 something, my lord. Clause enclosed marked X Uday Shankar Puri is recorded in the serial number 542 dated 16/2/67, and his date of birth is mentioned as 26/1/57, and father's name is mentioned as Haricharan Puri. As per record, Proceedee took admission at Dhing Public School in the class 5 on transfer from Talbot's Sonarigao 2P school, 2P school. I have
Not 2P, LP.
Right, man. LP school. I have furnished the certified copy, true copy of the register in the court as exhibit 4
in the certificate
Is
dated.
the certificate, exit 4-1 is my signature.
Is my signature.
Is my signature. 4-1. So we have to consider the entire case on the basis of this certificate.
Yes.
What is the school register? It will record this. It will record this. Of Dalali. See, like Hindu. Yes, keep trying.
Yes.
Bengali.
Division.
Obligement.